Hello, 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 testing. Hello, hello,
Hello, hello, hello,
hello, hello, hello, hello, hello, hello, hello, hello, testing, hello, testing, 1, 2, 3, hello, 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 hello. ವಕ್ರತುಂಡ ಮಹಾಕಾಯ ಸೂರ್ಯಕೋಟಿ ಸಭಾಪ್ರಭ ನಿರ್ವಿಘ್ನಂ ಕುರುಮೇ ದೇವ ಸರ್ವಕಾರ್ಯೇಷು ಸರ್ವದಾ ಓವಿ ಒಂಜಿ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ ಶುರುವಾಡ್ದಲ್ಲ ವಿಘ್ನಲೆಗ್ ಅಧಿಪತಿ ಆನೆ ಮೋನೆದ ಗಣಪತಿ ಮಹಾಗಣಪತಿ ದೇವರನ್ನು ಬಾರಿ ಮನಸಾರೆ ಸುಗಿತುಂದು ಇನಿತ ನಮ್ಮ ಯುನೈಟೆಡ್ ಬನ್ಸ್ ವರ್ಕಡಿ ದಾಖಲು ಬಾರಿ ಪೆರ್ಮೇಡ್ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಮಲ್ಪನಂಚಿನ ಬಾರಿ ಪೊರ್ಲಗಂತ ಕ್ರಿಕೆಟ್ ಟೂರ್ನಮೆಂಟ್ ಒಂದೇಜ ಫೆಬ್ರವರಿ 10 ತಾರೀಕು ದಾನಿ ಮಜೀರ್ ಪಲ್ಲದ ಪಂಚಾಯತ್ ಗ್ರೌಂಡ್ ನಡಪೆರಂಡು ಅಂಚಾದ ಮೂಲ ಬತ್ತ ಸೇದಿಂಚಿನ ಮಾತ ಟೀಮ್ ದ ಓನರ್ ಸಾದಿಪ್ಪು ಅಂಚನೆ ಕ್ಯಾಪ್ಟನ್ ಸಾದಿಪ್ಪು ಅಂಚನೆ ಐಕಾನ್ ಪ್ಲೇಯರ್ ಸಾದಿಪ್ಪು ಮಾತಿರಿಗಳ ಬಾರಿ ಮೋಕೆಡು ತಂಡದ ಪರವಾದ ಬಾರಿ ಪ್ರೀತಿ ಎತ್ಕೊಂಡೊಂದುಲ್ಲ ಅನಿಗಳ ಮುಗಿದ ವಿಜಿ ಸುಮಂತ್ ಶೆಟ್ಟಿ ಅಂಚನೆ ನನ್ನ ಒಂಜಿ ಟೀಮ್ ದ ನಮ್ಮ ಪುದರ್ಲೆಪ್ಪು ದಯಮಲ್ತದು ಆಯಾಯ ಟೀಮ್ ದ ಕ್ಯಾಪ್ಟನ್ ಈಜಿನ ಐಕಾನ್ ಅವರಿಜಿನ ಓನರ್ ದಯಮಲ್ತದು ವೇದಿಕೆ ದಂಚಿ ಬತ್ತದು ಪುಷ್ಪನ್ ಪಡೆಯೋಡು ಬಂದು ಕೇಳೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಶೆಟ್ಟಿ ಬ್ರದರ್ಸ್ ಕೂಲೂರ್ದ ದಯಮಲ್ತದ ಏರಾನಲ್ಲ ಒಂಜಿ ಸದಸ್ಯರು ವೇದಿಕೆ ದಂಚಿ ಬರೋಡು ಮೇರೆಗೆ ನಂದು ಗಣೇಶ್ ದಯಮಲ್ತ ವೇದಿಕೆ ದಂಚಿ ಬತ್ತದು ಪೂ ಕೊಡ್ದು ಬಾರಿ ಮೋಕೆಡು ಎತ್ಕೊಂಡೋಡು ಬಂದು ಕೇಳೋದಿಲ್ಲ ನಂದು ಗಣೇಶ್ ದಯಮಲ್ತದು ವೇದಿಕೆ ದಂಚಿ ಬತ್ತದು ಶೆಟ್ಟಿ ಬ್ರದರ್ಸ್ ಕೂಲೂರು ತಂಡದ ಗುರಿಕಾರ್ಲಿಗೆ ಪೂ ಬುಚ್ಚನ್ ಕೊಡ್ದು ಬಾರಿ ಮೋಕೆಡು ಎತ್ಕೊಂಡೋಡು ಬಂದು ಕೇಳೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಎಸ್ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಅಂಚನೆ ಯುನೈಟೆಡ್ ಬನ್ಸ್ ವರ್ಕಾಡಿದ ಏರನ್ನ ಸದಸ್ಯರು ದಯಮಲ್ತದ್ದು ವೇದಿಕೆದ ಮಿತ್ತ ಚಾವಡಿಗೆ ಬರೋಡು ಯುನೈಟೆಡ್ ಬನ್ಸ್ ವರ್ಕಾಡಿ ಅರೆಗೆ ಅರವಿಂದ್ ಶೆಟ್ಟಿ ಮಾಯ್ಬಾಡಿ ದಯಮಲ್ತದ್ದು ವೇದಿಕೆ ದಂಚಿ ಬರ್ತದು ಪೂ ಪುಷ್ಪನ ಕೊಡ್ದು ಬಾರಿ ಮೋಕೆಡು ಎತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬಂದು ಕೇಳೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಬನ್ಸ್ ಕೋಟೆ ಕುಂಜದ ಏರೆಲ್ಲ ಸದಸ್ಯರು ದಯಮಲ್ತದ್ದು ವೇದಿಕೆ ದಂಚಿ ಬರೋಡು ಬನ್ಸ್ ಕೋಟೆ ಕುಂಜದ ಸದಸ್ಯರು ಅರೆಗೆ ವಿನೀತ್ ಶೆಟ್ಟಿ ಕೋಡಿಬಾಲ್ ದಯಮಲ್ತದ್ದು ವೇದಿಕೆದ ಮಿತ್ತ ಚಾವಡಿ ಬರ್ತದು ಪೂ ಪುಷ್ಪನ ಕೊಡ್ದು ಬಾರಿ ಮೋಕೆಡು ಎತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬಂದು ಕೇಳೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಎಸ್ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ರಾಯಲ್ ಬನ್ಸ್ ಸದಸ್ಯರು ಏನೆಲ್ಲ ವೇದಿಕೆ ದಂಚಿ ಬರೋಡು ರಾಯಲ್ ಬನ್ಸ್ ಸದಸ್ಯರು ರಾಯಲ್ ಬನ್ಸ್ ಬಲ್ಲೂರು ದಾಖಲು ಅರೆಗೆ ಗುರುಪ್ರಸಾದ್ ಕೈಯಾರು ವೇದಿಕೆ ದಂಚಿ ಬರ್ತದು ಪೂ ಪುಷ್ಪನ ಕೊಡ್ದು ಎತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬಂದು ಕೇಳೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಗುರುಪ್ರಸಾದ್ ಕೈಯಾರು ಒಂಚೂರು ಅಲ್ಪ ಕೊಲ್ದಿನಾಗ ಒಂಚೂರು ಕೈ ತಾಡಿ ಬಿಟ್ಟೋಡು ಸರ್ ಅಂಚನೆ ಯೂತ್ ಬನ್ಸ್ ಮುಡಿಪುದ ಸದಸ್ಯರು ಏರನಲ್ಲ ವೇದಿಕೆ ದಂಚಿ ಬರೋಡು ಯೂತ್ ಬನ್ಸ್ ಮುಡಿಪು ಮೇರೆಗೆ ತ್ಯಾಗರಾಜ್ ಕುತ್ತಾರು ಪೂ ಪುಷ್ಪನ ಕೊಡ್ದು ಬಾರಿ ಮೋಕೆಡ್ ಎತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬಂದು ಕೇಳೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಎಸ್ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಅಂಚನೆ ಬನ್ಸ್ ಬಂಬ್ರಾನದ ಏರನ್ನ ಸದಸ್ಯರು ದಯಮಲ್ತದ್ದು ವೇದಿಕೆ ದಂಚಿ ಬರೋಡು ಬನ್ಸ್ ಬಂಬ್ರಾನದ ಅರೆಗೆ ಪ್ರಜ್ವೀತ್ ಶೆಟ್ಟಿ ಸುಲ್ಯಮೆ ದಯಮಲ್ತದ್ದು ವೇದಿಕೆ ದಂಚಿ ಬರ್ತದ್ದು ಪೂ ಪುಷ್ಪನ ಕೊರಡು ಬಂದು ಕೇಳೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರಜ್ವೀತ್ ಶೆಟ್ಟಿ ಸುಲ್ಯಮೆ ದಯಮಲ್ತದ್ದು ವೇದಿಕೆ ದಂಚಿ ಬರೋಡು ಎಸ್ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಅಂಚನೆ ಶೆಟ್ಟಿ ಬ್ರದರ್ಸ್ ಕುಂಟುಪುನಿ ಈ ಒಂಜಿ ತಂಡದ ಸದಸ್ಯರು ದಯಮಲ್ತದ್ದು ವೇದಿಕೆ ದಂಚಿ ಬರೋಡು ಶೆಟ್ಟಿ ಬ್ರದರ್ಸ್ ಕುಂಟುಪುನಿ ಅರೆಗೆ ಜಯರಾಜ್ ಶೆಟ್ಟಿ ಚಾರ್ಲಾ ದಯಮಲ್ತದ್ದು ವೇದಿಕೆ ದಂಚಿ ಬರ್ತದ್ದು ಪೂ ಪುಷ್ಪನ ಕೊಡ್ದು ಮೋಕೆಡ್ ಎತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬಂದು ಕೇಳೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಶೆಟ್ಟಿ ಬ್ರದರ್ಸ್ ಕುಂಟು ಪುನಿದ ಸದಸ್ಯರಿಗೆ ಜಯರಾಜ್ ಶೆಟ್ಟಿ ಚಾರ್ಲ ಪುಷ್ಪನ್ ಕೊರ್ದು ಮೋಕೆಡೆ ಎದುಕೊಂಡು ಬಂದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಎಸ್ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಬಟ್ ನಾಟ್ ಲೀಸ್ಟ್ ಬನ್ಸ್ ವಾರಿಯರ್ಸ್ ದೇರಂಬಲ ತಂಡದ ಸದಸ್ಯರು ಎರಡಲ್ಲ ವೇದಿಕೆ ಹಂಚಿ ಬರೋಡು. ಬನ್ಸ್ ವಾರಿಯರ್ಸ್ ದೇರಂಬಲದ ಸದಸ್ಯರು ಅರೆಗೆ ಹರ್ಷಿತ್ ಕೋಡಿಬೈಲ್ ವೇದಿಕೆ ಹಂಚಿ ಬರ್ತದ್ದು ಪುಷ್ಪನ್ ಕೊರ್ದು ಬರೀ ಮೋಕೆಡ್ ಎತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬಂದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಎಸ್ ಸೇರಿದಿನ ಮಾತ ಟೀಮ್ದ ಕ್ಯಾಪ್ಟನ್ಸ್ ಆದಪ್ಪು, ಐಕಾನ್ಸ್ ಆದಪ್ಪು, ಓನರ್ಸ್ ಆದಪ್ಪು ಮಾತಿರೆಗಳ ಯುನೈಟೆಡ್ ಬಂಡ್ಸ್ ವರ್ಕರ್ದ ಪರವಾದ ಬಾರಿ ಮೋಕೆಡೆ ಎತ್ಕೊಂಡೊಂದು ನಮ್ಮ ಬೈದಿನಂಚಿನ ಬೇಲದ ಬಂದ ಆಕ್ಷನ್ ಬೇಲ್ ನಡಪರೊಂಡು ಅಂಚನೆ ಈ ಒಂಜಿ ಆಕ್ಷನ್ ದೇಯದ ಉಸ್ತುವಾರಿ ಅಂಚನೆ ರೂವಾರಿ ಆಯ್ನಂಚಿನಕಲು ನವೀನ್ ಬಂಟ್ವಾಲ ಅಂಚನೆ ಕಿರಣ್ ಮ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಳೂರ್ ದಯಮಲ್ತದ ವೇದಿಕೆ ದಡೆ ಬರೋಡು ಅಕ್ಲಿಗೆ ರೋಹಿತ್ ಪೂಗೊರ್ದು ಬಾರಿ ಮೋಕೆಡೆ ಎತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬಂದಕ್ಕೆ ಅನ್ನೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಆಕ್ಷನ್ದ ಉಸ್ತುವಾರಿ ಆದುಲ್ಲೇರು ನವೀನ್ ಬಂಟ್ವಾಲ್ ಬೊಕ್ಕ ಕಿರಣ್ ಮ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಳೂರ್ ಅಂಚನೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಇನಿತ ಈ ಒಂಜಿ ದಾದ ಒಂದು ಮುಲ್ಪ ಸೇರ್ದ ಪೂರ ಲೈವ್ ಅದು ಬಾರಿ ಶೋಗುಡೆ ಇಲ್ಲಡಿ ತಿನ್ನಕ್ಲೆ ಅಂಚನೆ ನಮ್ಮ ದೂರ ತಿನ್ನಕ್ಲೆ ಬಾರಿ ಪೊರ್ಲುಡೆ ತಲುಪವನ ಅಂಚಿನ ಬೇಲೆ ಮಲ್ತದುಲ್ಲೇರು ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಲೈವ್ ಮುಖಾಂತರ ನಮ್ಮ ಧ್ವನಿ ಮೀಡಿಯಾದ ದಯಮಲ್ತದ್ದು ರಾಜೇಶ್ ಕೋಟೆ ಕುಂಜಲ್ ಆರ್ಲ ವೇದಿಕೆ ಹಂಚಿ ಬರೋಡು ಆರೆಗ್ಲ ಪುಷ್ಪನ್ ಕೊರ್ದು ಎತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬಂದಕ್ಕೆ ಅನ್ನೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ರಾಜೇಶ್ ಕೋಟೆ ಕುಂಜಾರ್ಲ ವೇದಿಕೆ ಹಂಚಿ ಬರೋಡು. ಎಸ್ ದನ ಆಕ್ಷನ್ ಸುರುಮಲ್ ಬುಗತಿ ನಿಖಿಲ್ ಸುರುಮಲ್ ಬುಗ ಬಂದ ಮಾತು ಸುರುಮಲ್ ಬುಗತಿ. ಎಸ್ ಆಕ್ಷನ್ ರೂವಾರಿ ಆದುಲ್ಲೇರು ನಮ್ಮ ನವೀನ್ ಬಂಟ್ವಾಲ್ ಬೊಕ್ಕ ಕಿರಣ್ ಮ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಳೂರು ನನದ ಪೂರ ಆಕ್ಷನ್ ಡೀಟೇಲ್ಸ್ ದಾದೊಂಡ ಅವೇನು ಪೂರ ನಿಕ್ಲಿಗೆ ಬಾರಿ ಶೋ ಕುಡೆ ಪಂಡ್ರೆಗುಲ್ಲೇರು ನವೀನ್ ಬಂಟ್ವಾಲ್ ಬೊಕ್ಕ ಕಿರಣ್ ಮ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಳೂರ್.
Hello.
ಆಕ್ಷನ್ నుంచి ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಚೇಂಜಸ್ ಉಂಡು ಮುರಳಿ ಇಂಕಲ್ ದಾದ ಬಂದಿದ್ದು ಪಂಡ ಫಸ್ಟ್ 100,000 ಮುಟ 100 ಲೆಕ್ಕ ಪೂಪನ್ ಬಂದಿತ್ತೇನು ಅಡ್ಬೇಕು 100 4,000 300 ಲೆಕ್ಕ ಪೂಪನ್ ಬಂದಿತ್ತೇನು ಅಂಡ್ ಇದು ಸ್ಲೈಟ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಪಂಡ ಬೇಸ್ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಬಂದದ್ದು 100 ಅಬೇಡ ಬೊಕ್ಕ ನಿಕ್ಲೆ ಏತ ದೆಪ್ಪೋಲಿ 200 ಉಂಡು 200 ದೆಪ್ಪೋಲಿ 500 ದೆಪ್ಪೋಲಿ ದಾಯ ಪಂಡ ನಿಕ್ಲೆ 128 ಪ್ಲೇಯರ್ಸ್ ಉಳ್ಳೇರು. ಸೊ ನಮ್ಮ 100 200 300 400 ಅಂಚ 100 ಬೋಂಡ ನಮಗೆ కొంచెం ಸ್ಲೋ ಆಪುಂಡು ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಬೇಸ್ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಬಂದು 100 ಬೇಸ್ 100 ಐಡ್ ಬೊಕ್ಕ ನಿಕ್ಲೆ ಏತ ದೆಪ್ಪೋಲಿ 100 ದೆಪ್ಪೋಲಿ 200 ದೆಪ್ಪೋಲಿ 500 ದೆಪ್ಪೋಲಿ ಇತ್ತೊಂಜಿ ಎಡ್ಡೆ ಪ್ಲೇಯರ್ ಇತ್ತ ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಇತ್ತ ಗುರು ಒಂಜಿ ಇಪ್ಪತ್ತು ಪತ್ತಿನ ಪಂದಿನಿಲ್ಲ ಅಬ್ಬ ನಿಕ್ಲೆ 100 200 300 ಅಂಚ ಪೋಂಡ ಮಸ್ತ್ ಸ್ಲೋ ಆಪುಂಡು. ಸೊ ಗುರು ಬತ್ತಿನಗರಿಗೆ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ 100 ದೆಪ್ಪಲಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇದ್ದ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 500 ದೆಪ್ಪಲಿ ಅದೇ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬರೋದು ನಿಕ್ಲೆ 200 ದೆಪ್ಪಲಿ ಅದೇ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 500 ದೆಪ್ಪಲಿ ಅಂಚ ಮಾತ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಪ್ರೊಸೆಸ್ ಏರೆಗಣ್ಣದಲ್ಲ ಡೌಟ್ಸ್ ಉಂಡ ಆಕ್ಷನ್ ರಿಲೇಟೆಡ್ ದಾಲ ಡೌಟ್ಸ್ ಇತ್ತನೆ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಬಂದ್ಲಿ. ಇದು ಒಂಜಿ ವೇಳೆ ನಿಕ್ಲೆ ಇದು ಒಂಜಿ ಪ್ಲೇಯರ್ನ 8,000 ತೆತ್ತಾರೆ ಬೊಕೊಂಜಿ ಪ್ಲೇಯರ್ನ ನಿಕ್ಲೆ 3,000 ತೆತ್ತಾರೆ ಅಬ್ಬಗ ನಿಕ್ಲೆ 12,000 ಪೋಂಡು ಬೊಕ್ಕ ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ 3,000 ಉಂಡದ ಆ 3,000 ನಿಕ್ಲೆ 9 ಪ್ಲೇಯರ್ಸ್ ದೆಪ್ಪೋಡಿ ಮಿನಿಮಮ್ ಒಂಜಿ ಪ್ಲೇಯರ್ಗೆ ಬೇಸ್ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಬಂದು 100 ರೂಪೀಸ್ ದೀವಡಿ ನಿಕ್ಲೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಂಡೆ. ಸೊ ಮಾತ ಹೊರನೆ ಖಾಲಿ ಬಂಪರಿಚ್ ಇದು ಒಂಜಿ ವೇಳೆ ಅನ್ಸೋಲ್ಡ್ ಪ್ಲೇಯರ್ ಆತಂಡು ಅನ್ಸೋಲ್ಡ್ ಪ್ಲೇಯರ್ ಆದ ನಕ್ಲೆ ಅಕ್ಲೆ ರೀಬಿಡ್ ಆಪುಂಡು ಅಬ್ಬಗಲ ನಿಕ್ಲೆ ಕಾಸು ಒರಿಪದಿಪ್ಪೋಡು ಹೊರನೆ ಪೂರ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಮಲ್ತೆ ಬೊಕ್ಕ ಎಂಡ ಇತ್ತ ನಿಕ್ಲೆ ಒಂಜಿ ವೇಳೆ 14,600 ನಿಕ್ಲೆ ಪೋತುಂಡು ನಿಕ್ಲೆ ಸ್ಟಿಲ್ 4 ಪ್ಲೇಯರ್ ನಿಕ್ಲೆ ಬೋರ್ಡು ಅಬ್ಬಗ ನಿಕ್ಲೆ 100 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಲೆಕ್ಕನೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ದೆಪ್ಪರಾಪಿರಿ ನಿಕ್ಲೆ ಪೂರ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಖರ್ಚು ಮಂಪರಾಪುಜ್ ಅಂಚ ಮಂಡೆಡ್ದಿಲ್ಲೆ ಒಂಜಿ ಪ್ಲೇಯರ್ನ ಬೇಸ್ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಬರ್ತದೆ 100 ನಿಕ್ಲೆ ಮಿನಿಮಮ್ ಒರಿಪೋಡಿ. ಓಕೆ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂತ ಅಂಚಂಡ ಡೌಟ್ಸ್ ಉಂಡಾ ಕೇಳಿ ಇತನೆ ಕೇಳಿ. ಟೋಟಲ್ ಬಂದದ್ದು 15,000 ನಿಕ್ಲೆಗೆ 11 ಪ್ಲೇಯರ್ ದೆಪ್ಪೋಡಿ ದಯಪಂಡ ಒಂಜಿ ಕ್ಯಾಪ್ಟನ್ ಉಳ್ಳೇರು ಒಂಜಿ ಐಕಾನ್ ಉಳ್ಳೇರು. ಸೊ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಅದು ನಿಕ್ಲೆ 13 ಮೆಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಒಂಜಿ ಟೀಮ್ ಬರ್ಪೇರು. ಸೊ ಅಂಚಾದಿಪ್ಪು ನಿಕ್ಲೆಗೆ ಆಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಿನಿಮಮ್ 11 ಪ್ಲೇಯರ್ಸ್ ನಿಕ್ಲೆ ದೆಪ್ಪೋಡಿ ಅವಿಡ್ದು ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಇಜ್ಜಿ 11 ಪ್ಲೇಯರ್ಸ್ ನಿಕ್ಲೆ ಟೀಮ್ ಇಪ್ಪೋಡು ಇನ್ಕ್ಲೂಡಿಂಗ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪ್ಟನ್ ಬೊಕ್ಕ ಐಕಾನ್ 13 ಮೆಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಆಪುಂಡು. ಬಾಮ್ರಾನ ದಾಲ ಕೆಂಡ್ರೆತ್ತಂಡ ಇಜ್ಜದೆ. ಓಕೆ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾ.
ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ ಪಂದಿಜ್ಜಿ ಇರಿಗೆ 15,000 ಉಂಡು 11 ಪ್ಲೇಯರ್ಸ್ ದೆಪ್ಪರೆ 15 ಇರು ಒಂಜಿ ಪ್ಲೇಯರ್ಗೆ 14 ಲ ಪೋಲಿ ಬೊಕ್ಕ 1000 10 100 ಲೆಕ್ಕ ಬೇಸ್ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಲೆಕ್ಕ 10 ಪ್ಲೇಯರ್ಸ್ ದೆಪ್ಪುಡಿರು ಗೊತ್ತಾಂಡತೆ 14,100 ಬುಡ್ಪುಜಿ ಏರೆಗ್ಲ ದೆಪ್ಪರೆ 14,000 ಮುಟ ಪೋಲಿ ಒರಿಯಗೆ ಓಕೆ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಪುಗ ಓಕೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ಲೇಯರ್ ಪ್ರಮೀತ್ ಶೆಟ್ಟಿ ಬ್ಯಾಟ್ಸ್ಮನ್ ರೈಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಬ್ಯಾಟ್ಸ್ಮನ್ ಮೊಗ್ರಾ ಪುತ್ತೂರ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ 100 ಫ್ರಮ್ ಬನ್ಸ್ ಕೋಟೆಕುಂಜ ಓಕೆ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಪ್ರಮೀತ್ ಶೆಟ್ಟಿ ಮೊಗ್ರಪುತ್ತು ಮೊಗ್ರಪುತ್ತೂರ್ ಪ್ರಮೀತ್ ಶೆಟ್ಟಿ 100 ಫ್ರಮ್ ಕೋಟೆಕುಂಜ 100 200 ಫ್ರಮ್ ಬಲ್ಲೂರ್ 300 ಫ್ರಮ್ ಕೋಟೆಕುಂಜ 300 ಫ್ರಮ್ ಕೋಟೆಕುಂಜ 400 ಫ್ರಮ್ ಬಲ್ಲೂರ್ 400 ಫ್ರಮ್ ಬಲ್ಲೂರ್ 500 ಫ್ರಮ್ ಕೋಟೆಕುಂಜ 500 ಫ್ರಮ್ ಕೋಟೆಕುಂಜ 500 ಫ್ರಮ್ ಕೋಟೆಕುಂಜ ಒನ್ ಟೈಮ್ 500 ಫ್ರಮ್ ಕೋಟೆಕುಂಜ 600 ಫ್ರಮ್ ಬಲ್ಲೂರ್ 600 ಫ್ರಮ್ ಬಲ್ಲೂರ್ ಒನ್ ಟೈಮ್ 700 ಫ್ರಮ್ ಕೋಟೆಕುಂಜ 700 ಫ್ರಮ್ ಕೋಟೆಕುಂಜ 700 ಫ್ರಮ್ ಕೋಟೆಕುಂಜ ಒನ್ ಟೈಮ್ 700 ಫ್ರಮ್ ಕೋಟೆಕುಂಜ ಎಸ್ 800 ಫ್ರಮ್ ಬಲ್ಲೂರ್ 800 ಫ್ರಮ್ ಬಲ್ಲೂರ್ ಒನ್ ಟೈಮ್ 800 ಫ್ರಮ್ ಬಲ್ಲೂರ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಟೈಮ್ 800 ಫ್ರಮ್ ಬಲ್ಲೂರ್ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಟೈಮ್ sold to ಬಲ್ಲೂರ್ ಪ್ರಮೀತ್ ಶೆಟ್ಟಿ for 800 rupees. Next player, Kawan Shetty, right hand batsman, Kudlu, plays Kudlu Kasargod, 100 from Shetty Brothers. Shetty Brothers, so plays Kulur, Shetty Brothers Kulur, 100 from Shetty Brothers Kulur. Kawan Shetty, right hand batsman, 200 from Kotekunja, 200. 300 from Kulur, 300 from Kulur, 400 from Kotekunja, 500 Kulur, 500 from Kulur, 500 from Kulur one time, 600 from Kotekunja, 600 from Kotekunja, yes 700 from Kulur, 700 from Shetty Brothers Kulur, 700 from Shetty Brothers Kulur one time, 800 from Kotekunja, 800 from Kotekunja one time, 800 from Kotekunja second time, 900 from Shetty Brothers Kulur, 900 from Shetty Brothers Kulur, 900 from Shetty Brothers Kulur one time, 900 from Shetty Brothers Kulur second time. 900 from Shetty Brothers Kulur third time. Sold to Shetty Brothers Kulur. Kavan Shetty. Suresh Shetty, all-rounder, right-hand batsman, right-arm bowler, Kidur, plays Kidur. Suresh Shetty. Suresh Shetty. Suresh Shetty. Unsold manpa. Suresh Shetty. Okay, unsold. Ranjit S, right hand batsman, plays Sulyame. 100 from Vorkady. 200 from Mudipu. 200 from Mudipu. 300 from Vorkady. 400 from Mudipu. 500. 500 from United Bunts Vorkady. 500. 600 from Youth Bunts Mudipu. 600. 700 from United Bunts Vorkady. 700. 800 Youth Bunts Mudipu. 800. 900 United Bunts Vorkady. 900. United Bunts Vorkady. 900. Player Ranjit S, right hand batsman. 900 from United Bunts Vorkady one time. United Bunts Vorkady 900 second time. 900 from United Bunts Vorkady third time. Sold to United Bunts Vorkady for 900 rupees. Ranjit S. Next player, Naveen Shetty, right hand batsman from Majar. Naveen Shetty from Majar. 100 from Kulur, Shetty Brothers Kulur. Initial bidding 100 from Shetty Brothers Kulur. 100 from Shetty Brothers Kulur one time. 100 from Shetty Brothers Kulur second time. 200 from Youth Bunts Mudipu. 200. 200 from Youth Bunts Mudipu. 200. 200 from Youth Bunts Mudipu one time. 200 from Youth Bunts Mudipu 300. 300 from Shetty Brothers Kulur. 300. 300 from Shetty Brothers Kulur. 300 from Shetty Brothers Kulur one time. 300 from Shetty Brothers Kulur second time. 300 from Shetty Brothers Kulur third time. Sold to Shetty Brothers Kulur for 300 rupees. Naveen Shetty, right hand batsman. Next player, Puneet, right hand batsman from Beeri, Mangalore. Puneet, right hand batsman, Puneet. Yes, 100 from Bunts Kotekunja. 100. 100 from Bunts Kotekunja. Yes, 200 from Bamrana. 200 from Bamrana. 200. 200 from Bambrana. Yes, 300. 300 from Bunts, Kotekunja. 300. 300. Yes, 400. 400 from Bambrana. 400. 400 from Bunts, Bambrana. Yes, 400 from Bunts, Bambrana. One time. 400 from S 500. 500 from Derembala Strikers. 500. 500 from Derembala Strikers. 500 from Derembala Strikers. One time. 500 from Derembala Strikers. Second time. 500 from Derembala Strikers. Third time. Sold to Derembala Strikers for 500 rupees. Puneet from Biri. Next player, Akshit. All-rounder, right-hand batsman, right-arm bowler from Mangalore. Akshit. All-rounder. Akshit. Yes, 100 from Bunts, Kotekunja. 200 from Bambrana. 200 from Bambrana. Yes, 300 from Bunts, Kotekunja. 400 from Bambrana. 400. 500 from Kotekunja. 500. 500 from Kotekunja. Yes, 600 from Vorkady. 700 from Bambrana. 700. 700 from Bambrana. 800. 800 from Shetty Brothers. Kuntupuni. Okay. 800 from Shetty Brothers, Kuntupuni. 800. 800. 800. Yes, 900. 900 from United Bunts, Vorkady. 900. 900 from United Bunts, Vorkady. 900. 900. 900 from United Bunts, Vorkady. One time. 1000. 1000 from Bambrana. 1000. 1000 from Bambrana. One time. 1000 from Bunts, Bambrana. Second time. Yes, 1100. 1100 from Kuntupuni. Shetty Brothers, Kuntupuni. It's 1100. 1100. 1100 from Shetty Brothers, Kuntupuni. One time. 1100 from Kuntupuni. Second time. 1100 from Shetty Brothers, Kuntupuni. Third time. Sold to Kuntupuni for 1100 rupees. Akshit. Next player, Tilak. Right hand batsman from Adka. Tilak. Tilak from Adka. Yes, 100 from Kotekunja. 100 from Kotekunja. 200. 200 from Derembala Strikers. 200. 200 from Derembala Strikers. For Tilak, right hand batsman from Adka. 200 rupees. 200 rupees from Derembala Strikers. One time. 200 from Derembala Strikers. Second time. 200 from Derembala Strikers. Final time is sold to Derembala Strikers for 200 rupees. Tilak. Next player, Nikhil P. Shetty, right hand batsman from Mangalore. Kulai. Kulai. Nikhil P. Shetty. Nikhil P. Shetty from Kulai. Yes, 100 from Kotekunja. 100. 100 from Kotekunja. Yes. 100 from Kotekunja. Yes, 200. 200 from Derembala Strikers. 300 from Kotekunja. 400 from Bambrana. 400. 400 from Bambrana. 500 from Ballur. 500 from Royal Bunts Ballur, 500. 600 from Kote Kunja, 600. 700 from Bombrana, 700. 700 from Bombrana, 800. 800 from Kote Kunja, 800 from Kote Kunja, 800. 800 from Kote Kunja, 800 from Kote Kunja one time. 900. 900 from Bombrana, 900. 900. 900 from Bombrana one time. 900 from Bunts Bombrana second time. 900 from Bunts Bombrana third time. Sold to Bunts Bombrana for 900 rupees. Nikhil P. Shetty from Kulai. Uday Shetty, right hand batsman from Kodlamugur. Uday Shetty from Kodlamugur, right hand batsman. Uday Shetty. Uday Shetty from Kodlamugur. Unsold. Okay, unsold. Next player, Ritesh Bekur. All-rounder, right-hand batsman, right-arm bowler from Bekur. Bekur. Ritesh Bekur. 100 from Kote Kunja. 200 from Youth Bunts Mudipu. 200. 200 from Youth Bunts Mudipu. 200 from Youth Bunts Mudipu one time. Yes, 300. 300 from Vorkady. 300. Yes, 400 from Mudipu. 400 from Youth Bunts Mudipu. 400. 400 from Mudipu one time. Yes, 500. 500 from Kulur. 500 from Kulur. 500. 500 from Kulur. 600. 600 from Mudipu. 600. 600 from Youth Bunts Mudipu. 600. 600 from Youth Bunts Mudipu one time. 700. 700 from Kulur. 700. 700 from Kulur one time. 700 from Kulur second time. Yes, 800. 800 from Youth Bunts Mudipu. 800. 800 from Youth Bunts Mudipu. 800 from 900. 900 from Shetty Brothers Kulur. 900. 900 from Shetty Brothers Kulur one time. 900 from Shetty Brothers Kulur second time. 900 from Shetty Brothers Kulur third time. Sold to Shetty Brothers Kulur. Next player, Ashish G. All-rounder, right-hand batsman, right-arm bowler from Kurnad. Ashish G. 100 from Youth Bunts Mudipu. 100. 100. 100 from Youth Bunts Mudipu. 200. 200 from Derembala Strikers. 200. 300 from Youth Bunts Mudipu. 300. 400. 400 from Derembala Strikers. 500 from Youth Bunts Mudipu. 600 from Derembala Strikers. 600 from Derembala Strikers. 600 from Derembala Strikers. A 700 from Youth Bunts Mudipu. 700. 800 from Derembala Strikers. 900 from Youth Bunts Mudipu. 900. 900 from Youth Bunts Mudipu. 900. 1000 from Derembala Strikers. 1100 Youth Bunts Mudipu. 1100 from Youth Bunts Mudipu. 1100 from Youth Bunts Mudipu. One time. 1100 from Youth Bunts Mudipu. Second time. 1200. 1200 from Kote Kunja. 1200. 1300 from Youth Bunts Mudipu. 1300 from Youth Bunts Mudipu. 1300 300 from Youth Bunts Mudipu. One time. 1300 from Youth Bunts Mudipu. Second time. 1300 from Youth Bunts Mudipu. Third time. Sold to Youth Bunts Mudipu for 1300 rupees. Next player, Shravan Shetty from Uppala. Shravan Shetty, right hand batsman. Shravan Shetty. Shravan Shetty from Uppala. 100 from Vorkady. 200 from Kote Kunja. 200 from Kote Kunja. 200. 200 from 300. 300 from Vorkady. 300. 300 from United Bunts Vorkady. One time. 300 from United Bunts Vorkady. Second time. 300 from United Bunts Vorkady. Final time is sold to United Bunts Vorkady for 300 rupees. Dheeraj Shetty, all-rounder, right-hand batsman, right-arm bowler from Talapadi. Talapadi. Dheeraj Shetty. Dheeraj Shetty. Dheeraj Shetty, 100 rupees from Kote Kunja, 200 from Derembala Strikers, 300 from Kuntupuni, 400 from Kote Kunja, 400. 400 from Kote Kunja, 500 from Kuntupuni, 500. 500 from Kuntupuni. Dheeraj Shetty, 500 from Kuntupuni. 500 from Kuntupuni. One time. 500 from Kuntupuni. Second time. 500 from Kuntupuni. Final time is sold to Kuntupuni for 500 rupees. Dheeraj Shetty. Next player, Dishant, right-hand batsman from Mangalore. Dishant. Dishant, 100 from Kote Kunja, 200 from Kuntupuni, 200, 300 from Kote Kunja, 400 from Kuntupuni, 400. 400 from Kuntupuni. Is 500. 500 from Kotekunja. 500. 500 from Kotekunja. Yes, 600. 600 from Kuntupuni. 600 from Kuntupuni. 600 from Kuntupuni one time. 600 from Kuntupuni second time. Yes, 700. 700 from Kotekunja. 700. 800. 800 from Kuntupuni. 800. 800 from Kuntupuni. 800 from Kuntupuni one time. 800 from Kuntupuni second time. 800 from Kuntupuni third time. Sold to Kuntupuni for 800 rupees. Royal Shetty Brothers, Kuntupuni, 800 rupees. Next player, Kaushik B. Shetty, all-rounder from Manjeshwara. Right hand batsman, right arm bowler. Kaushik B. Shetty. Kaushik B. Shetty. 100 from Kotekunja. 100 from Kotekunja. For Kaushik B. Shetty, 100. 200. 200 from Kuntupuni. 200. 300. 300 from Kotekunja. 400 from Kuntupuni. 400 from Kuntupuni. 400 from Kuntupuni one time. 400 from Kuntupuni second time. 400 from Kuntupuni final time is sold to Kuntupuni for 400 rupees for Kuntupuni. Shetty Brothers, Kuntupuni. Next player, Ranjit Shetty, batsman from Sitangoli. Ranjit Shetty from Sitangoli, right hand batsman. Ranjit Shetty. Yes, 100 from Kotekunja for Rajesh Shetty. 100. 100 from Kotekunja one time. 100 from Kotekunja second time. 100 from Kotekunja final time is sold to Kotekunja for 100 rupees. Ranjit Shetty. Next player, Sharan Shetty, right hand batsman from Bhagavati. Sharan Shetty, right hand batsman. Yes, 100. 100 from Kuntupuni. 200 from Kotekunja. 300 from Kuntupuni. 300 from Kuntupuni. Yes, 400. 400 from Kotekunja. 500 from Kuntupuni. 500. 500 from Kuntupuni for Sharan Shetty. 500 from Kuntupuni one time. 500 from Kuntupuni second time. 500 from Kuntupuni third time. Sold to Kuntupuni for 500 rupees. Sharan Shetty. Next player, Preetham Shetty, right hand batsman sorry, left-hand batsman from Kodibel. Left-hand batsman Preetham Shetty, left-hand batsman, 100 from Kotekunja. 100 from Kotekunja for Preetham Shetty, left-hand batsman. 100. 100 from Kotekunja one time. 100 from Kotekunja second time. 100 from Kotekunja. Final time is sold to Kotekunja for 100 rupees. Preetham Shetty, left-hand batsman. Next player Varun Shetty, right-hand batsman from Mudipu. Varun Shetty. Varun Shetty from Mudipu, right-hand batsman. Yes, 100 from Kotekunja. 100. 200 from Bambrana. 200. 200 from Bambrana for Varun Shetty. 200 from Bambrana one time. Yes, 300. 300 from Mudipu. 300 from Mudipu. 300 from Mudipu one time. Yes, 400. 400 from Bambrana. 400. 400 from Bambrana. 400 from Bambrana one time. 400 from Bambrana second time. 400 from Bambrana final time. Sold to Bambrana for 400 rupees. Varun Shetty, right-hand batsman from Mudipu. Nikhil Shetty, all-rounder, right-hand batsman, right-arm bowler from Kuttar. Nikhil Shetty from Kuttar, 100 from Kotekunja. 100 from Kotekunja. 200 from Vorkady. 300 from Ballur. 400 from Mudipu. 500 from Kotekunja. 500 from Kotekunja. 500. 600 from Mudipu. 600. 700 from Kotekunja. 700. 700 from Kotekunja. 700 from Kotekunja one time. Yes. 800 from Ballur. 900 from Mudipu. 900. 1000 from Kotekunja. 1000 from Kotekunja. 1000 from Kotekunja. 1000 from Kotekunja one time. 1000 from Kotekunja. Yes, 1100 from Kulur. 1100 from Shetty Brothers Kulur. 1200 Kotekunja. 1200 from Kotekunja. 1200. 1200 from Kotekunja one time. 1300. 1300. 1300 from Kulur. 1300 from Kulur one time. Yes, 1400. 1400 from Kotekunja. 1400 from Kotekunja one time. 1400 from Kotekunja second time. Yes, 1500. 1500 from Kulur. 1500 from Kulur. 1600. 1600 from Kotekunja. 1600 from Kotekunja. 1600 from Kotekunja one time. 1600 from Kotekunja second time. 1600 from Kotekunja third time is sold to Kotekunja for 1600 rupees. Nikhil Shetty.
ಓಕೆ ಮೇ ಬಿ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ದ ಒಂಜಿ 10 ಪ್ಲೇಯರ್ಸ್ ಆಯ್ಬೇಕು ಮಂಜಿ ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಕೊರ್ಕ ಆಯ್ಬಾಗ ನಿಕ್ಲ ಪ್ಲೇಯರ್ಲು ಏತ್ ಪ್ಲೇಯರ್ ನಿಕ್ಲಿ ಬಿಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂಚ ನಿಕ್ಕಲ ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಏತ್ ಉಂಡು ಬಂದ್ಲ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಒಂಜಿ 10 ಪ್ಲೇಯರ್ಸ್ ಆಯ್ಬೇಕು ನಾವು ಏನು ಮಲ್ಪಗ. ಓಕೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ಲೇಯರ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಕಾಶ್ ಶೆಟ್ಟಿ, ರೈಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಬ್ಯಾಟ್ಸ್ಮನ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಉಪ್ಪಳ ಕೇರಳ. ಎನಿ ಬಿಡ್ ಎನಿ ಒನ್ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟೆಡ್ ಫಾರ್ ಆಕಾಶ್ ಶೆಟ್ಟಿ, ಎನಿ ಒನ್ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ವಿತ್ ಆಕಾಶ್ ಶೆಟ್ಟಿ. ಎಸ್ 100 ವಿತ್ Vorkady 100, ಎನಿ ಒನ್. ಕೋಟೆಕುಂಜ 200, 200 ವಿತ್ ಕೋಟೆಕುಂಜ 200. ನಮ್ಮ ತ್ಯಾಗರಾಜ್ ಎಕಡೆ ಮಾತಾ ಪ್ಲೇಯರ್ಗಳ ಭಾರಿ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ದಚ್ಚಿಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ. ಕೋಟೆಕುಂಜ ವಿತ್ 200 ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್. Vorkady ತಗೊಳ್ಳಾರ ರೇಸ್ ಉಳ್ಳಾರ 300 ವಿತ್ Vorkady 300 ವಿತ್ Vorkady. ಕೋಟೆಕುಂಜ ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ನಮ್ಮ ಪ್ಲೇಯರ್ ಆಕಾಶ್ ಶೆಟ್ಟಿ, ಪ್ಯೂರ್ ರೈಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡೆಡ್ ಬ್ಯಾಟ್ಸ್ಮನ್ ನಕ್ಲೆ ಪ್ರತಿ ಒಂದು ಟೀಮ್ಗಳು ಎಡ್ಡ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಕೊರ್ಪೇರಿ. ಎನಿ ಒನ್ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟೆಡ್ 300 ವಿತ್ Vorkady 300 ವಿತ್ Vorkady. ಎನಿ ಒನ್ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟೆಡ್ ಮುಡಿಬುದಕ್ಲು ಬಲ್ಲರ್ದಾರೆ ನಂದನ್ನೇ ಬಾರಿ ಬೇಜಾಡಲ್ಲೇರಿ ಆರಿಗೆ ಆರ್ನ ಪ್ಲೇಯರ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬೈಜರನ್ನು 300 ವಿತ್ Vorkady. ಎನಿ ಒನ್ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟೆಡ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಸೆಲ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಆಕಾಶ್ ಶೆಟ್ಟಿ ಟು Vorkady ಫಾರ್ 300 ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್. All-rounder, right-hand batsman, right-hand bowler. Anyone interested with Shreyas? Anyone interested with Shreyas? Yes, 100 with Mudipu. Mudipu is 100 with Kotekunja. 200 with Kotekunja. 200 with Kotekunja. Mudipu 300 with Mudipu. I think Shreyas all-rounder batsman. 300 with Mudipu. Anyone interested with Shreyas? 300 with Mudipu. Anyone interested? Anyone interested with Shreyas? Look like no one interested. And I am feeling Shreyas to Mudipu for 300 points. Next player Gururaj Rai. All-rounder. Anyone? Gururaj. 100, 200 with Bamrana. 300 with 300 with Kotekunja. Tuntupudi 300 with Tuntupudi. Anyone there? 400 with Kotekunja 400, 500, 700, 600 with Tuntupudi. 600, 700 with Kotekunja 700, 800, 900 with Vorkady 900 with Vorkady. Anyone is interested with Gururaj 1000 with the Tuntupudi. 1000 Tuntupudi 1000. Illara Guru 1000 with the Tuntupudi 1000. Anyone interested? With Gururaj 1100 with Tuntupudi. Kotekunja 1100 with Kotekunja 1100. 1200 with Tuntupudi. 1200 Kotekunja with the race. Kotekunja 1200 with Tuntupudi. 1200 and I am selling Gururaj to Tuntupudi for 1200. Next player Puneet Aro, left hand batsman, left arm bowler. Right and left hand combination is always so important. When the bowlers are right and left hand combination. Puneet Aro, A bowler 100 with Kotekunja 100. I will see ಪ್ರತಿ ವರ್ಷ player ಗಳ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ತೋರಿಸುವುದಿಲ್ಲ. 100 with Kotekunja. Anyone is there? Anyone interested with Puneet? Puneet will bid more interested. Left hand bowler, left hand batsman. Left arm bowler, left hand batsman. Anyone interested with Puneet? Looks like no one interested. And I am selling Puneet to Kotekunja for 100 points. Like body. Oh, barabar again. Like video. Like video. Next player, Prashant Shetty. One more all-rounder. One more all-rounder is Prashant Shetty. Anyone interested with Prashant Shetty? Prashant Shetty ke bid malparayaginte interest unda. Prashant Shetty. Anyone interested with Prashant Shetty? Yes, 100. 100 with Bamrana. 100 with Bamrana. 100. Mudipu tagli interest raise dollara. Mudipu. Prajwit 200. Is 100 with Bamrana. 200. 200 with Kote Kuncha. 300. 300 with Bamrana. Bamrana 300 points. 300. 400. 400 with Vorkady. 400. 500. 500. 500 with Bamrana. 500. 500. 500. Guru. 500. 500 with Bamrana. 500 with Bamrana. Looks like no one interested. Final call. 600. 600 with Kote Kunja. 600. Are with the race. 600. 700. 700 with Bamrana. 700. Bamrana. Bamrana 700. 700 with Bamrana. Kote Kunja the Klulara. Kote Kunja. Dagraj Ichi. Dagraj is already give up. Kote Kunja. Anyone? Other team. Other team. Are you interested with Prashant? 700 with Bamrana. Looks like no one is interested. And I am selling Prashant Shetty to Bamrana for 700 points. Next player, Sharad Bhandari. Sharad Bhandari, one more all-rounder. One more all-rounder, Sharad Bhandari. ಪ್ರತಿ ಒಂಜಿ ಆಲ್ರೌಂಡರ್ ನಕ್ಲ ಮಾತಾ ಟೀಮ್ಗಳೊಂಜಿ ಎಡ್ಡ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಕೊರ್ಪಿರಿತ್ತು. ಒನ್ ಮೋರ್ ಆಲ್ರೌಂಡರ್ ಶರತ್ ಭಂಡಾರಿ. ಎನಿ ಒನ್ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟೆಡ್ ವಿತ್ ಶರತ್ ಭಂಡಾರಿ? ಶರತ್ಗೆ ಬಿಡ್ ಮುಂಪರಿಚಿದ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ದಕ್ಲಿ ಎರಡು ಉಲ್ಲರ. ಶರತ್ ಭಂಡಾರಿ. ವರ್ಕಾಡಿ. ಕುಂಟಬುಣಿ. ಆರ್ ಯು ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟೆಡ್ ವಿತ್ ಶರತ್ ಭಂಡಾರಿ? ಶರತ್ ಭಂಡಾರಿ. ಕುಳೂರು ದಕ್ಲು. It looks like no one interested. Yes. Kote Kunja. Again Kote Kunja with the race. 100 with Kote Kunja. 100 with Kote Kunja. Other teams. Anyone interested with Sharad Bhandari? Kote Kunja with 100 points. 100 points with Kote Kunja. Looks like no one interested. And final time I am asking, anyone interested with Sharad Bhandari? All-rounder. Yes, look like no one is interested. And I am selling Sharad Bhandari to Bunts Kote Kunja. Next player, Vikas Sonkal, pure batsman. Anyone interested with Vikas? Kundabuni dakle Vikas go interest unnara? Kundabuni discussion aanundu dala Kundabuni dakle Vikas gu bid manpara ichi. Look like akle interest is Vikas gu bid manpara. Anyone interested with Vikas? Vikas gu best bid manpara interest unda? Yes, look like no one is interested with Vikas, and this player will be going to unsold. One more pure batsman, Sunil Shetty. Sunil Shetty ke bid bomb nakle dollara. Sunil Shetty. 100. 100 with Vorkady. 100 with Vorkady. Yes. Sunil Shetty is available for both the days. 600. 600 with Kundabuni. 600 with Kundabuni. 1100. 1200. 1200. 1200. 1700. 1700. 2300. 2300. 2400. 2400. 2900. 2900 with Vorkady. 3000. 3000 with Bamrana. 3500 with Kundabuni. 3500 with Kundabuni. 3600. 3600. 3800. 3800. 4300. 4300. 4400. 4400 with Bamrana. 4600 with Kote Kunja. 4600. 4,600, 4,800, 4,800, 5,300, 5,300 with Vorkady, 5,300, 5,500, 5,500 with Kuntupudi, 5,600, 5,800, 5,800 with Kote Kunja, 5,800 with Kote Kunja, 6,300, 6,300 with Vorkady, 6,300 with Vorkady, 6,300. 6,300, 6,800, 6,800 with Kotekunja, 6,800, 6,900, 6,900 with Vorkady, 6,900, Sunil Shetty, right hand batsman, 7,000, 7,100, 7,100, 7,100 with Kotekunja, 7,100 with Kotekunja, 7,100 with Kotekunja, anyone interested with Sunil as of now 7,100, 7,200, 7,200 with Derambala, 7,200 with Derambala strikers, 7,300, 7,300 with Kotekunja, 7,400, 7,500 with Vorkady, 7,500 with Vorkady, 7,500, 7,800, 7,800 with Kotekunja, 7,800, 7,900, 7,900 with Vorkady. 8,000, 8,000 with Derambala strikers, 8,000, 8,000 with Derambala strikers, 8,000 with 8,100, 8,100 with Kotekunja, 8,100 with Kotekunja, 8,200, 8,200, 8,200 with Vorkady, 8,200. Are you with the race? 8,300, 8,300 Kotekunja. Bamran the Gullara, 8,400, 8,400 Vorkady. Bamran, are you interested? 8,400, 8,400, 8,400. Looks like all are give up. Only Kotekunja and Vorkady are fighters. 8,400, 8,400. Kotekunja, 8,500, 8,500, 8,500 with Kotekunja, 8,600, 8,600 with Vorkady, 8,600. Only two teams are participating in this for Sunil Shetty, 8,600 with 8,600 with Vorkady, 8,600. This is the final time I am calling 8,600 with Vorkady. Anyone interested? 8,600, 8,700, 8,700, 8,700. 8,700, 700 with Kotekunja. As of now, this player 8,700 with Kotekunja. 8,800, 8,800, 8,800 with Vorkady. 8,800 with Vorkady as of now. Kotekunja, are you with the race? 8,800, 8,900. Tyagiraj is not giving up. 8,900, 8,900. You know that he is a dashing player. Along with Sunil Shetty, they can do lot of damage. That's why he is not giving up. 9,000, 9,000 with Vorkady, 9,000 with Vorkady. Now Vorkady is back to the auction. 9,000, 9,000, 9,000 for Sunil Shetty. 9,100. He is not giving up. He is not giving up because he knows the value of Sunil Shetty. That's why he is not giving up. 8,000, 9,100, 9,100 with Kotekunja, 9,100. Vorkady, are you with the race? 9,100, 9,100 for Sunil Shetty, 9,100. Looks like Vorkady given up, I think. 9,100, 9,100. And Sunil Shetty is sold to Kotekunja for 9,100. Give a big applause. The first player who gone for the maximum amount. The next player Gautam Kumar, right hand batsman. Gautam ka bid mo puna dollar. Gautam Kumar, pure batsman. Anyone interested with Gautam? 100, 100 with Kotekunja, 100 with Kotekunja for Gautam. Anyone interested with Gautam? Kotekunja with 100. Looks like no one is interested, and I am selling Gautam Kumar to Kotekunja for 100 points. The next player is Suraj, one more all-rounder. Suraj, anyone interested with Suraj? I really don't know for whom the Gururaj is waiting for. Suraj, the all-rounder Suraj, Prajit, Suraj Vidmambara. Kundamuni, Suraj. Looks like no one is interested. And I think Suraj is unsold. The next player is Jagadish Kumar, one of the top player in Dakshin Kannada district, 100 with Vorkady. Top class bowler. SRGT Friends Kuttar, the top class bowler, 100 with Vorkady, 200 with Derambai, 300 with Vorkady, 400 with Derambala Strikers, 400, 900 with Vorkady, 1000 with the Derambala Strikers, 1000 with the Derambala Strikers, 1100 for with the Vorkady, 1100 with Vorkady. Anyone interested with Jagadish? As of now is 1100 with Vorkady, 1100 points with Vorkady. Anyone? 1200, 1300 Vorkady, 1400 with Mudipu, 1400. Now Mudipu is joined the race, 1400 with Mudipu. Vorkady, Ullara, 1500 with Vorkady, 1500, 1600, 1700, so 1700 with Ballur, 1800 Vorkady, 1900 Ballur, Ballur with 1900, Vorkady, are you with the race? As of now 1900 with Ballur, 1900, 2000 with 2100 with Ballur, 2100 with Ballur. Prajit, are you with the race? 2100, as of now he is with Ballur at the point of 2200, 2200. Vorkady, are you with the race? 2200 as of now with Mudipu, 2200, 2400. As of now, he was with the Ballur 2400. Are you with the race Mudipu? 2500 with Mudipu as of now. 2500. Guru 2005. Are you with the race Guru? Derambala Strikers 2500 as of now is with Mudipu. 2500, 2600, 2700, 2700 with Mudipu, 2800 with Ballur, 2800. Kote Kunja, are you with the race? 2800 for Jagadish, 2900 with Kote Kunja, 3000 with Ballur, 3000 with Ballur. Kote Kunja Ullara, 3000. As of now, he was with the Ballur at the point of 3000 with Ballur as of now. Jagadish, one of the fantastic half cut and leg cut bowler. Topmost bowler in Dakshin Kannada district is the Jagadish. Anyone? As of now 3100 with Kote Kunja. 3100 as of now is as of now he was with the 3100 with Kote Kunja. Anyone interested? 3200 with Ballur, 3200. Kote Kunja, are you with the race? 3200. This is the final time I am telling. Anyone interested with Jagadish? As of now, he was with the Ballur at the point of 3200. This is the final call. 3300 with Mudipu, 3400 with Ballur, 3500 with Mudipu. Now Prajit is not giving up. He is back into the race. 3500. Anyone interested? This is the final time I am telling. 3600 is Ballur. Ballur is back again. For Jagadish. As of now 3600 with Ballur. 3600 with Ballur. 3700 is back. Prajit is back again. 3700. 3,800. 3,800 Ballur. Two teams are really competing for Jagdish. 3,800. 3,800 with Ballur as of now. Anyone interested? This is the final call. 3,800 and 3,900. 3,900. 900. Prajit is know the value of Jagdish. That's why he's not giving up. 3,900 with Mudipu as of now. Jagdish. 3,900. Nandan Ulara, Ballurdar. 3,900 for Jagdish with Mudipu. Again, I'm asking, this is the final call. And Ballur, are you with the race? 3,900 as of with the Mudipu. Final time I'm asking 4,000. Fourth is back. 4,000. 4,000 with Ballur. 4,000. 4,000. Anyone interested? Mudipu the race ruler. As of now, Jagdish with the 4,000 point with Ballur. And one more time I'm asking final time. This is the final time I'm asking anyone interested with the Jagdish. As of now, he was with Ballur at the point of 4,000. 4,000. 4,100. Again, Prajit is back. 4,100. 4,200. Now Derembala in the race. 4,200 with Derembala. 4,200. 4,300. 4,300. 4,400. 4,400. 4,400 with the Derembala strikers. 4,400. 4,400 first time. 4,400 second time. Mudipu final time asking, are you with the race? 4,400 as of now with the Derembala. 4,400 and I'm selling Jagdish at the point of 4,400 for Derembala strikers. Next red player auction malpuga adbo konja short break ipadu adbo nikla purse amount etundu nikla players etu nikla bid maltare nikla remaining players etu board apor onje plan malple next the two players ebaka short break on. The next player is Varshit Shetty, one more left-handed batsman and left-arm bowler. And ekkada panle ikkade onje left hand ittinda avuna manji prati over team le onje head combination korpu right and left combination. Yes, Bamrana 100. Finally, Bamrana dakle auction to buy there. Bamrana 200, 300, 300 with Ballur, 400, 400 with Bamrana, 400 with Bamrana, 400, 400 with Bamrana as of now. Varshit 400. Anyone interested with Varshit? 400, 500, 500 with Ballur, 500 with Ballur. Bamrana, are you with the race? 500 as of now. 600, 600 with Kulur, 600 with Kulur, 600, 600, 700, 700 with Derembala, 700 Kulur, are you there? 800, 800 with Ballur, 900, 900 with Kulur, 900, 1000, 1000 with Ballur, 1000 with Ballur. Ballur the 1,000 points Kulur 1,100, 1,100 with Kulur. Kulur is back again. 1,100. Derembala, are you there? Are you there? 1,200. Yes, 1,200 with Derembala. 1,200 with Derembala as of now. 1,200, 1,300, 1,300. He is not giving up. Ballur is not giving up. 1,300, 1,300. Kulur the Kulur 1,400. Yes, 1,400. 1,400. Derembala strikers. Are you with the race? Derembala strikers. As of now, he is with Kuluru at the point of 1,400. Vorkady. Vorkady daru are thing malundu edukana in a player later barpere apage bid malpe pand. As of now, he was with 1,400, 1,500. 1,500 with Derembala. 1,500. 1,500. Kuntupuni dakle deep the discuss strategy multandile eduga onjikle break out edbuka ing barpa bandu 1,500 with the 1,600, 1,600 with Kulur, 1,600 with Kulur, 1,600 with Kulur. Anyone interested? Looks like no one is interested. And this is the final time I am asking. As of now, he was with Kulur at the point of 1,600. 1,600. Yes, the player is sold to Kuluru at the point of 1,600. Harish Rai, ಒಂದು ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ಲೇಯರ್ ಒಂದೇ ಬುಕ್ ನಮ್ಮ ಬ್ರೇಕ್ ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ಲೇಯರ್ ಹರೀಶ್ ರೈ. ಒನ್ ಮೋರ್ ಆಲ್ರೌಂಡರ್ ಹರೀಶ್. ಎನಿವನ್ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟೆಡ್ ವಿತ್ ಹರೀಶ್? ಎನಿವನ್ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟೆಡ್ ಫಾರ್ ಹರೀಶ್? ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಬೀಡ್, ಐ ಆಮ್ ಲುಕಿಂಗ್ ಫಾರ್ ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಬೀಡ್ ಫಾರ್ ಹರೀಶ್. ಹರೀಶ್ಗೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಬೀಡ್ ಏನು ಉಲ್ಲಾರ? ಎಸ್, ವರ್ಕಾಡಿ ವಿತ್ 100 ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್. Vorkady with 100 points for Harish. Bamrana, are you with the race? Ullara? Eji, are na betene players barra baki ullar, are wait maltunduller. Yes, Harish as of now is with Vorkady. Anyone interested for Harish? Anyone? Yes, looks like no one is interested, and I am selling Harish to Vorkady for the points of 100. ಎಸ್ ನಮ್ಮೊಂಜಿ ಒಂಜಿ 5 minutes ದ ಬ್ರೇಕ್ ದೆಬ್ಬಗ ಎಡ್ಬುಕ್ಕ ನಮ್ಮ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಅಕ್ಕ ಇದೊಂಜಿ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಬ್ರೇಕ್. ಬ್ರೇಕ್ ಹಿಡ್ದು ಬತ್ತಿನೇ ನಿಕ್ಲ ಬಸ್ ಅವೈಲೇಬಲ್, ನಿಕ್ಲ ಪ್ಲೇಯರ್ಸ್ ಏತಾತಡು ಏತ್ ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ ಉಳ್ಳರು ಪೂರ ಪನ್ಪ ಬ್ರೇಕ್ ಆಯ್ಬುಕ್ಕ ಏತ್ ನಿಕ್ಲ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಉಂಡು, ಏತ್ ಪ್ಲೇಯರ್ಸ್ ಬಿಡ್ ಬಲ್ತರು.
Hello.
ಎಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಟೀಮ್ ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಪನ್ನೊಂದು ಪೋಪೆ ಟೀಮ್ ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ಲ 8 ಜನ ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಂದಾರು ಬೊಕ ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ ವಾಲೆಟ್ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ ಪನ್ನೊಂದು ಪೋಪೆ ದೆರೆಂಬಲ ಸ್ಟ್ರೈಕರ್ಸ್ ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ ವಾಲೆಟ್ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ 9,900 ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಪ್ಲೇಯರ್ ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟೆಡ್ 3 ಕನ್ಫರ್ಮ್ ಮಂಪ್ಲೆ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅದೇ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಟೀಮ್ ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಮೌಂಟ್ 9,900 player selected 3 Derembala strikers. Next team Shetty brothers Kuntapuni remaining wallet amount 10,500 player selected 6. Next team Bunts Kotekunja remaining wallet amount 3,800 player selected 7. Next team Shetty brothers Kulur remaining wallet amount 11,300 player selected 4. Royal Bunts Ballur remaining wallet amount 14,200 player selected 1. Youth Bunts Mudipu remaining wallet amount 13,400 player selected 2. Bunts Bambrana wallet amount 13,000 player selected 3. United Bunts Vorkady remaining wallet amount 13,400 player selected 4. ಪೂರ ಕನ್ಫರ್ಮ್ ಅದೇ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಉಂಡದೆ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಚೇಂಜಸ್ ಇದ್ದದೆ ಒಂದೇ ನಿಮಿಷ
ಎಸ್ ಮಾತ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಅದ ನಿಕ್ಲ ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಏತುಂಡು ಏತ್ ಪ್ಲೇಯರ್ ತೊಂದರು ಏತ್ ಪ್ಲೇಯರ್ ಬೋರ್ಡು ಪೂರ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಅದೈತೆ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆತದ ರೋಹಿತ್ ರಂಜಿತ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ರಂಜಿತ್ ಅಂಚನೆ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ಲೇಯರ್ నీకు ఓవే ప్లేయర్ డౌట్స్ ఇస్తుండా రోహిత్ క్లియర్ పంపాలి. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ ప్లేయర్ ప్రేమ్కాంత్ శెట్టి. ప్రేమ్కాంత్ శెట్టికి ఫస్ట్ బిట్ బళ్ళూరు 100, 200, 200 విత్ బామ్రానా, 300 విత్ కోటెగుంజ, 400, 400 విత్ బామ్రానా, 400 విత్ బామ్రానా, 400, 400, 900, 900 విత్ కూళూరు, 900 విత్ కూళూరు, 900, 900, 9,000. ಅಲ್ಪ ನಿಕ್ಲು 3 ಜನ ಇಟ್ಟು ಒರ್ರಿ ಎರಡು ದಿರ್ಪಲೆ ದ್ಯಾಪಂಡ ಆರ 500 ಪದ್ದಿರಿ. ಸೊ 1000 ಆಸ್ ಆಫ್ ನೌ, 1000 ವಿತ್ ಬಾಮ್ರಾನ, 1000, 1000. Anyone interested? 1000 as of now. He was with 1000 points at Bamrana. 1000. Kuluru are with the race. Kuluru 1000, 1100, 1000, 1200, 1200 with Bamrana. He is not giving up. Bamrana the give up on the 1200, 1200, 1700, 1700 with Kuluru, 1700, 1700. Derambala Ullara. 1700 as of now. He was with Kuluru at the point of 1700, 1700. Looks like no one is showing interest. Derambala are you with the race? 1700 as of now. He was with 1800, 1800 with Derambala, 1800. Vorkady 1800, 1900. Kuluru is back, 1900 with Kuluru, 2000 as of now. He was with the Derambala strike at the point of 2000, 2000, 2100. Kuluru 2100, 2100 with Kuluru, 2100, 2100. Anyone interested? 2100 with Kuluru. Yes, final time I am asking 2200, 2200 with Derambala, 2200, 2200. Again, this is the first call, 2200, 2300, 2300 with Kuluru, 2300. Second time, 2400, 2400 with Derambala. They are back with in the race. 2400 with Derambala as of now, 2400. Kuluru are with the race, 2400 as of now with the 2500, 2500 with Kuluru, 2500 with Kuluru, 2500, 2500. Final time I am asking 2600, 2600. Derambala is back, 2700, 2700 with Kuluru, 2700 points with Kuluru, 2700. Final time are you the 2800, 2800 with the 2900, 2900 with Kuluru, 2900, 3000, 3000 with Derambala, 3200, 3200 with Kuluru, 3200. Bamrana are in the race, 3200, 3200. Kundabuni ji are Vedade players like Mandidundu. As of now, he was with the 3200, 3300. Derambala is back, 3300. Anyone interested? Mudipu, Prajwit, Arnamanded Sumar Baltondu, 3300 with Derambala strikers, 3300. Final time asking, Kuluru are in the race, 3500, 3500 with Kuluru. They are back, 3500 with Kuluru as of now. Premkanth 3600, 3600. Vorkady 3600, 3600 with Derambala strikers, 3600. 3800, 3800 with Kuluru, 3800 with Kuluru. They are not giving up. Kuluru is not giving up for Premkanth. 3800, 3900, 3900 with the Derambala strikers. They are also not giving up. 3900, 3900. 4000. Yes, they are back again. Kuluru is back again. 4000, 4000 with Kuluru for Premkanth Shetty. 4000 with Kuluru. Final time asking, Derambala strikers are in the race. 4100, 4100 Derambala strikers. Kuluru 4100, Derambala that was 4100, 4200. They are back again. 4200 with Kuluru. 4200, 4200. Final time asking Kuluru 4200. Derambala are you in the race? Final time asking Derambala are you in the race? As of now, he was with 4200 point with Kuluru. 4300. I know that they will back. 4,300 with the Deramala strikers. 4,300. Kuluru are in the race. 4,300. 4,300. First time 4,300. Second time 4,400. 4,400 with Kuluru. 4,400. 4,400 with Kuluru. And this is the final call. 4,400 with the Kuluru. Yes, 4,500. 4,500 with the Derambala strikers. 4,500. 4,500 for the second time. 4,500. Second time, Kuluru are in the race. 4,500. 4,500. 4,600. 4,600. 4,600 with Kuluru. 4,600. Looks like Derambala give up. 4,600. Anyone interested in the race? 4,600 with Kuluru. This is the final time asking Derambala striker. 4,700. 4,700. They are back again. 4,700. As of now, Prem Kant is 4,700 with the Derambala strikers. Kuluru are in the race. Kuluru, are you in the race? 4,700 for Prem Kant. Again, I am asking, this is the final time, 4,700. As now I am going to sell this player. Final time asking, Kuluru are in the race, 4,700. Yes, the player sold to Derambala strikers for the point of 4,700. The next player is the Vijay Shetty. Anyone interested? I am looking for the first bid for 100. 100 with Vorkady. 200 with Derambala. 200 with Derambala. 300 with Vorkady. 500. 500 with Derambala. 600 with Balluru. 700 with Mudipu. 800 with Vorkady. 800 with Vorkady. 800. 800 with Vorkady as of now. Nickelodeon 800. 800 with Vorkady. 800 with Vorkady. 900 with Mudipu. 900 with Mudipu. 1000 with Kuluru. 1000 with Kuluru. Kundupudu Ullara. 1100. 1100 with Vorkady. 1200. 1200 with Mudipu. 1200. 1200 with Mudipu. 1200 with Mudipu for Vijay Shetty. Kuluru, are you there? 1300. 1300 with Kuluru. 1300. Three teams are in the race. 1,400 with Vorkady. Vorkady is back again. 1,400. 1,400 with 1,500. Now Tyagiraj is back. 1,500. 1,500 with Kotekunja. Vijay Shetty. 1,500. 1,600. 1,600. 1,600. As of now, he was with Vorkady at the point of 1,600. This is the second time asking Ace with Vorkady at the point of 1,600. And it's the final time. Final time. Anyone in the race? 1,700. 1,700. Kuluru is back. 1,700. 1,700 for Vijay Shetty. 1,700. Again, I am asking, this is the final time. Vijay Shetty, any bid? 1,700 with Kuluru. Yes, the Vijay Shetty is sold to Kuluru at the point of 1,700. Next player is the Dinakar Shetty, pure batsman. Any bid? Anyone? 100. 100 with Ballo. 600. 600, 700. 700, 1,000, 1,300. 1,200. 1,400. 1,500. 1,600. 2,100. 2,200. 2,300. 2,300 with Kundu. 2,300. 2,800 with Vorkady. 2,800 with Vorkady. 2,800. Vorkady with the 2,800 points for Dinakar Shetty. 2,800. Dinakar Shetty as of now with Vorkady at the point of 2,800. Any bid? Any bid for Dinakar Shetty? As of now, he was with Vorkady. 2,900. 2,900 with Kuluru. 2,900 with Kuluru. 2,900. Vorkady are in the race. Yes, 3,000. 3,000 with Vorkady. 3,000 with Vorkady. Kuluru are in the race. 3,000. He was at the point of 3,000 with Vorkady team. Are in the race. 3,000. This is the second time asking. Is with Vorkady at the point of 3,000. 3,000. 3,000. And the player is sold to Vorkady at the point of 3,000. The next player is one more talented all-rounder, Lohit Shetty. Anyone interested with Lohit Shetty? I am looking for the first bid for Lohit Shetty. Lohit Shetty first bid. I am looking for the first bid for Lohit Shetty. Anyone? Bamrana. Yes, 100. 100 with Bamrana. 100 with Bamrana. Anyone interested with Lohit Shetty? Looks like no one is interested. As the Lohit Shetty is sold to Bamrana at the point of 100. Sanjan Shetty, one more all-rounder. One more all-rounder is Sanjan Shetty, the young guy. Tagraj young talent go chance for number one kai mare akle. Modipu 100. Modipu 100. Modipu with 100 points. 100. Kundupuni Ichi. Modipu with 100 points. Sanjan Shetty. I am looking for the new bid. Eradu dollar abetakle. Sanjan Shetty. Looks like no one is interested and Sanjan Shetty is sold to Modipu at the point of 100. The next player is Mokshit, one more all-rounder. Yes, Mokshit, 100 with Derambala, 200 with Bamrana, 300 with Ballur, 400 with Bamrana, 400 with Bamrana, 400 points with Bamrana, 400. This is the second time asking Guru are in the race. This is the second time. As of now, he was with 400 with Bamrana, 400. Mokshit, anyone interested for Mokshit? Anyone is interested? 400 with Bamrana. As of now, he was with 400 with Bamrana. Anyone? Yes, the Mokshit is sold to Bamrana at the point of 400. Next player Prasad Shetty. Anyone looking for the bid for Prasad Shetty? Prasad Shetty bid, yes, 100 with Kotekunja. 100 with Kotekunja. Bamrana are in the race? No. Kotekunja, he was with Kotekunja at the point of 100. Prasad Shetty, 200 with Mudipu. 200 with Mudipu. Prajit is back. 200 with Mudipu. Tagraj are in the race. 200 with Mudipu. Looks like no one is interested. And I am selling Prasad Shetty to Mudipu at the point of 200. The next player is Jitu, one more all-rounder, one more youngster. I am looking for the first bid for Jitu. Yes, 100 with Derambala Strikers. Derambala Strikers with 100 point. Yes, 300 with Kundupuni. Yes, Kundupuni with 300 points. 300 with Kundupuni. 300 with Kundupuni as of now. Derambala are in the race for Jitu. Yes, they look like they are give up. Yes, the player is sold to Kundupuni at the point of 300. Jitu sold to Kundupuni at the point of 300. The next player is Ratnakara Shetty, experienced player. I am looking for the first bid for the experienced player Ratnakar Shetty. Ratnakar Shetty, first bid. Anyone, first bid for Ratnakar? Yes, 100. 100 with Bamrana. 100 with Bamrana. 100. Anyone interested with Ratnakar? Yes, look like no one is interested. The player is sold to Bamrana at the point of 100. The next player is Jeevan Shetty, pure batsman. Jeevan Shetty. Anyone? Yes, 100. Derambala Strikers 100. Derambala Strikers with 100 points. Anyone interested with Jeevan? G1 bid bumper interest G1. As of now, he was with the Rambler striker at the point of 100. Yes, look like no one is interested. Yes, the player is sold to the Rambler striker at the point of 100. Next player is Naveen, one more talented all-rounder. Naveen, I'm looking for the first bid for Naveen. Anyone interested? Yes, 100 with Kundupuni, 100 with Kundupuni. Bamrana are in the race, 100 with Kundupuni. Naveen bid Mampara, all-rounder. All-rounder nakle team ge nekadi nunchi bandleka all-rounder nakle team ge epala balance kanapera ikoskara era and yes, there is no one is interested. So the player is sold to Kundupuni at the point of 100. Next player Akash Shetty, one more all-rounder. Akash Shetty. Anyone interested with Akash Shetty? I'm looking for the first bid here. Anyone interested with Akash Shetty, the all-rounder? Anyone? Yes, 100. Again, Kundupuni is back. Now they are back. Kundupuni, back to back. Yes, anyone? Anyone interested with Akash Shetty? Yes, looks like no one is interested. The player is sold to Kundupuni at the point of 100. The next player is Santosh Shetty. Santosh Shetty ke bid bump nakle ullara. Anyone interested with Santosh Shetty? Santosh Shetty ke bid bump nakle. Bamrana, Kulur, Mudipudar. Yes, Tokko to the player. Santosh Shetty. Anyone interested with Santosh Shetty? Yes, look like no one is interested. The player is unsold. Harinath K, one more talented all-rounder, Harinath K. Anyone interested with Harinath? I am looking for the first bid here. Kotakunja, are in the race? No. Are gottu jina guarantee bid malpedirar. Anyone interested with Harinath? Harinath bid malpanchena eragana interested. Harinath bid malpar interested. Anyone? Vorkady. Yes, no one is interested. So the player is unsold. Next player is Kaushik, one more all-rounder. I am looking for the first bid for Kaushik. In first bid. Anyone? Yes, 100 with Kotekunja, 200 with Ballur, 200 with Ballur as of now. Kotekunja are in the race. 300, 400 with Kotekunja, 400 with Kotekunja, 400 with Kotekunja, 500 with Vorkady, 500 with Vorkady. Bamran are in the race. 500, 600. Mudipu is back. Now Mudipu is back. 600 with Mudipu. 600 with Mudipu. Vorkady are in the 700. Yes, they are in the race. 700. 700 with Vorkady. 700. Mudipu are in the race. Mudipu, second time I am asking, are you in the race? 700 with Vorkady as of now. 800. Yes, they are back. 900. 900 with Vorkady. 900 with Vorkady. 1000 with Mudipu. They are not giving up. He was with at the point of 1000 with Mudipu. Ullara Vorkady are in the race. 1100. Yes, they are back. 1100. 1100 with Vorkady. 1100. Mudipu are in the race. This is the second time asking. 1300. 1200. Yes, 1200 with Mudipu. 1200. 1300 with Vorkady. 1300 with Vorkady. 1300. Mudipu are in the race. 1300. Yes, 1400. 1400. 1500. 1500. Mudipu are there. 1500 with Vorkady as of now. 1500. 1500. Bamran are there. Kundupuni. 1600. 1600 with Mudipu. 1700. They are not giving up. 1700. As of now, this player with at the point of 1700 with Vorkady. 1800. 1800 with Mudipu. 1800. 1900. 1900 with Vorkady. 1900 with Vorkady. This is the second time. 1900 with Vorkady. For Koshik, 1900. Mudipu are in the race. Mudipu are in the race. The final time asking, Mudipu are in the race. 1900 Vorkady. 2000. They are not giving up. 2000. They are back. 2000. The player Koshik at the point of 2000. 2100. 2100. 2100 with Vorkady. 2100. 2100. This is the final time I'm asking Mudipu are in the race. 2100. 2100. Second time 2100. 2300. 2400. They are not giving up. Vorkady is not giving up for Kaush. 2400. 2400 with Vorkady. 2400. 2500. 2500. 2600. 2600 with Vorkady. 2600. Yes, this is the final time asking Mudipu are in the race. 2600 with Vorkady. 2600 with Vorkady and 2600. Final time asking 2600 with Vorkady. Yes, the player is sold to Vorkady at the point of 2600. The next player is Rakshit Shetty. Rakshit Shetty. Anyone interested with Rakshit Shetty? I am looking for the first bid here. I am looking for the first bid here for Rakshit Shetty. Yes. Balluru. Balluru dar ba itte baddere 200. Balluru dar manded ವೇತಲೆ ಉಂಡು ಆ ಪ್ಲೇಯರ್ ದಕ್ಲೆ ಬೈಜಿರ್ ಅಂಚಾರ್ ದೆಪ್ಪ ರೆಡಿ ಜಿರ್ 200 with Vorkady now. 200 with Vorkady. Anyone interested for Rakshit? 300 with Koluru. 300. 300 with Koluru for Rakshit Shetty. 300. 300. Look like no one is interested. The player with 400. 500. 500 with Ballur. 500 with Balluru now. 500. 500. 500 with Ballur. 500. 600 with Koluru. 600. 600 with Koluru. 600. Yes, 700. Mudipu is back. 700. 700 with Mudipu. 700. 700. Balluru. 800. Yes. Are Batter at the back. 900. Mudipu is not giving up. 900. 900 with Mudipu. Koluru. Are you in the race? Are you in the race? He was with Mudipu at the point of 900. Rakshit. 900. Second time asking. Second time asking. He was with Mudipu at the point of 1000. 1000 with Ballur. 1000 with Balluru now. 1000. Rakshit Shetty. 1000 points with Ballur as of now. This is the final time I am asking. Yes, 1100. 1100 with Mudipu. 1100. 1100 with Mudipu. Balluru, are you in the race? Balluru, are you in the race? Final time asking. He was now with 1100 at the with Mudipu. 1100. Final time. Yes, the player is sold to Mudipu at the point of 1100. Yes, ekkada nuncha same ko voice కిందకి బోరా దిప్పు ఇత్త కొంచెం చేంజ్ ఆఫ్ వాయిస్.
And the next player is Hari Prasad. Hari Prasad. Left-handed batsman. Hari Prasad. 100. 100. From Derambala strikers, 100. 100. Shetty brothers Kolur 200, 200, 200, 200 one time, 200 one time, 300, 300, 300, 300 for Hari Prasad, 300 from Derambala, 300 from Derambala, 400, 400 from Kolur, 400 from Kolur, 400 one time, 400 one time, 400 one time, 400 two time, 500, 500. 500 from Derambala, 500, 500, 500, 600 from Kolur, 600, 600, 600, 600, 700 from Derambala, 700, 700, 700 one time, 700 one time, 700 one time, 700 two time, 700 two time, 700 two time, 800, 800 from Kolur, 800 from Kolur, 800 one time, 800 one time, 800 one time, 800 two time, 800 two time, 800 two time, 800 three time, 800 three time, 800 three time. Hari Prasad sold to Shetty brothers Kolur for 800. And the next player, Gurudeep Shetty, all-rounder, right-handed batsman and the right-arm bowler. He is from Kulur Minja. Gurudeep Shetty is from Kulur Minja. Nobody is interested. Gurudeep Shetty. Okay, pass out. Okay, pass out. Next player. And the next player is Rohan Har Shetty, all-rounder, right-handed batsman and the right-arm bowler. He is from Naikapu, Kerala. 100 from Derambala, 100 from Derambala, 100 from Derambala, 200 from Ballur, 200 from Ballur, 200 from Ballur, 300 from Derambala, 400 from Ballur, 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 400 one time, 400 one time, 400 one time, 400 two time, 400 two time, 500 from Derambala, 600 from Ballur, 600 from Ballur, 600 from Ballur, 600 one time, 600 one time, 600 two time, 600 two time, 600 three time, 700 from Bamrana, 700 from Bamrana, 700 from Bamrana, 700 one time, 700 one time, 700 one time, 700, 800 from Ballur, 800 from Ballur, 800 from Ballur, 800 one time, 800 one time, 800 one time, 800 two time, 800 two time, 800 two time, 800 three time, 800 three time. Sold to Ballur, 800, sold to Ballur. Rohan R. Shetty sold for Ballur for 800. And the next player, is Sujesh, batsman, right-handed batsman. He is from Mangalore. Sujesh from Mangalore. Sujesh from Mangalore is a right-handed batsman. Pass out, huh? Pass out. Next. Next player. And the next player is Jitesh Shetty. He is an all-rounder, right-handed batsman and the right-arm bowler. He is from Mudabidri. Jitesh Shetty, all-rounder, right-handed batsman and the right-hand bowler. He is from Mudabidri. 100 from Bamrana, 100 from Bamrana, 100 from Bamrana, 200 from Kotekunja, 200 from Kotekunja, 300 from Bamrana, 300 from Bamrana, 400 from Vorkady, 400 from Vorkady, 500 from Bamrana, 500 from Bamrana, 500 from Bamrana, 500 from Bamrana one time, 500 from Bamrana one time, 500 from Bamrana one time, 500 from 600 from Ballur, 700 from Bamrana, 700 from Bamrana, 700 from Bamrana, 700 from Bamrana one time, 700 from Bamrana two time, 800 from Mudip, 900 from Bamrana, 900 from Bamrana, 900 from Bamrana, 900 from Bamrana one time, 900 from Bamrana two time, 1000 from Vorkady, 1000 from Vorkady, 1000 from Vorkady one time, 1000 from Vorkady, 1100 from Bamrana, 1100 from Bamrana, 1100 from Bamrana one time, 1100 two time, 1200 from Mudipu, 1300 from Vorkady, 1400 from Bamrana, 1400 from Bamrana, 1400 from Bamrana, 1400 one time, 1400 one time, 1500, 1600, 1700 from Bamrana, 1700, 1800 from Mudipu, 1800 from Mudipu, 1900 from Bamrana, 1900 from Bamrana, 1900 from Bamrana, 2000 from Mudipu, 2000 from Mudipu, 2000 from Mudipu, 2000, 2100 from Bamrana, 2100 from Bamrana, 2100 from Bamrana, 2100 one time, 2100 one time, 2100 one time, 2200 from Vorkady, 2200 from Vorkady, 2200 from Vorkady one time, 2200 one, 2300 from Bamrana, 2300 from Bamrana, 2300 one time, 2300 one time, 2003 time, one time, 2300 two time, 2300 two time, and the final asking 2300. Jitesh Shetty sold for 2300 for Bamrana. Jitesh Shetty sold for 2300 for Bamrana. And the next player, is Namit. He is an all-rounder, right-handed batsman, and the right-arm bowler. He is from Majjar. Namit is an all-rounder. He is from Majjar. Pass out, 100 from Kulur, 100 from Kulur, 100 from Kulur, 100 from Kulur, 100 from Kulur. Okay, he sold for Kulur for 100. Namit sold for 100 for Kulur. And the next player is Gautam. Is a batsman, right-handed batsman, and the left-arm bowler. He is from Sri Lakshmi Nivasa, Gurunagara. Okay, 100 from Vorkady, 100 from Vorkady, 100 from Vorkady, 200 from Mudipu, 200 from Mudipu, 300 from Vorkady, 300 from Vorkady, 400 from Mudipu, 500 from Vorkady, 500 from 600 from Mudipu, 600, 700 from Vorkady, 800 from Mudipu, 800 from Mudipu, 900 from Vorkady, 1000 from Mudipu, 1000 from Mudipu, 1000 from Mudipu, 1000 one time, 1000 one time, 1000 one time, 1000 two time, 1000 two time, 1100 from Kotekunja, 1200 from Bunts Mudipu, 1300 Vorkady, 1300 from Vorkady, 1400 from Mudipu, 1400 from Mudipu, 1500 from Vorkady, 1500 from Vorkady, 1500 from Vorkady, 1600 from Mudipu, 1600 from Mudipu, 1600 one time, 1600 one time, 1700 from Kotekunja, 1700, 1800 from Mudipu, 1800, 1800, 1800 from Mudipu, 1800 one time, 1900 from Kotekunja, 1900 from Kotekunja, 1900, 1900, 2000, 2100, 2100 from Vorkady, 2100 one time, 2100 one time, 2200 from Mudipu, 2200, 2200, 2200 one time, 2200 one time, 2200 one time, 2200 two time, 2300, 2300 from Kotekunja, 2300 from Kotekunja, 2300, 2400, 2400 from Mudipu, 2400 one time, 2400 one time, 2400 one time, 2400 two time, 2400 two time, 2400 two time. Final asking 2500, 2500 from Kotekunja, 2500 Kotekunja, 2500 one time, 2500 one time, 2600, 2600 from Mudipu, 2600 from Mudipu, 2600 one time, 2600 one time, 2600 one time, 2600 two time, 2600 two time, 2600 two time. Final asking. Okay. Gautam sold for 2600 for Mudipu, Youth Bunts Mudipu. Gautam sold for 2600. Okay, the next player. And the next player is, I'll repeat on, next player, Dhanush. And the next player is Dhanush. He is a batsman, right-handed batsman, right-arm bowler. He is from Pernadoddamane, Pajir Post, Bantwal. Dhanush is a right-handed batsman. 100 from Mudipu, 100 from Mudipu, 100 from Mudipu, 200 from Kotekunja, 200 from Kotekunja, 200 from Kotekunja, 200, 300 from Mudipu, 300 from Mudipu, 300, 400 from Kotekunja, 400 from Kotekunja, 400 from Kotekunja, 400 one time, 400 one time, 500, 500 from Mudipu, 500, 500, 500 one time, 500 one time, 500 one time, 500 two time, 500 two time, 500 two time. Final asking. Dhanush sold for 500 for Mudipu. Youth Bunts Mudipu. Dhanush sold for 500. Okay, next player. And the next player is Gautam Bandari. He is an all-rounder, right-handed batsman and the left-arm bowler. He is from Kunjatur. Gautam Bandari is from Kunjatur. Right-handed batsman and the left-arm bowler. Pass out, huh? Okay, pass out. And the next player is Aditya. Is a batsman, left-handed batsman and the left-arm bowler is from Tokot. Aditya. 100 from Derambala strikers. 200, 300 from Mudipu. 400, 400, 400, 400, 400, 500, 500 from Mudipu. 600, 600, 600, 700 from Kulur. 700, 800, 900, 900, 1000, 1000, 1100 from Mudipu. 1100 from Mudipu. 1100, 1100 one time, 1100 one time, 1200, 1300 from Ballur. 1400, 1400, 1500 from Mudipu. 1600, 1700, 1700, 1700, 1700, 1800 from Mudipu. 1900, 2000 from Kulur. 2100 from Ballur. 2200, 2300 from Vorkady. 2400 from Kulur. 2500, 2500, 2600 from Ballur. 2700, 2700, 2800 from Ballur. 2900, 3000 from Kulur. 3000 from Kulur. 3000, 3100, 3600, 3600, 3700, 4200, 4300, 4400, 4400, 4400, 4600, 4600, 4700, 4900, 5100, 5100, 5100, 5200, 5300, 5500, 5500, 5500, 5600, 5800, 5800, 5900, 6100, 6100, 6200, 6300, 6300, 6300 one time, 6400, 6600, 6600, 6600 one time, 6600, 6700, 6900, 7000, 7200, 7300, 7500, 1600, 7800, 7800, 7800 one time, 7900, 8100, 8100, 8100, 8100, 8100, Kuntapuni 8100, Kuntapuni 8100, 8100 one time, 8100 one time, 8100 one time, 8200 from Ballur, 8200 from Ballur, 8200 from Ballur, 8200 one time, 8300 from Kuntapuni, 8300, 8300, 8300, 8300 one time, 8300 one time, 8300 one time, 8300 two time, 8300 two time, 8300 two time. Final asking. Okay. Aditya sold for 8300 for the Kuntapuni, the highest bid. Aditya is sold for Kuntapuni for 8300. Given applause for Kuntapuni team. And the next player. And the next player, Manohar, is an all-rounder, right-handed batsman and the right-arm bowler. He is from Payolike. Manohar. He is from Payolike. Right-handed batsman and the right-arm bowler. We can pass out. Pass out, pass out. And the next player, And the next player, Nikhil Adapa, he is an all-rounder player, right-handed batsman and the right-arm bowler. He is from Uppala, Kasargod. Nikhil Adapa. Can we pass out? 100 from Vorkady, 100 from Vorkady, 100 from Vorkady, 100 one time, 100 one time, 100 one time, 100 two time, 100 two time, 100 two time. Final asking. Okay. Nikhil Adapa sold for 100 for United Bunts Vorkady. Nikhil Adapa sold for 100 for United Vorkady. And the next player, Santosh Shetty, is an all-rounder player, right-handed batsman and the right-arm bowler. He is from Tokut. Santosh Shetty. 100 from Kotekunja. 200 from Ballur, 200 from Ballur, 300 from Kotekunja, 300 from Kotekunja, 300 one time, 300 two one time, 300 one time, 300 two time, 300 two time, 300 two time. Final asking. Santosh Shetty sold for Kotekunja, Bunts Kotekunja for 300. And the next player, ಒಂದು ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ಲೇಯರ್ ಆಯ್ಬೇಕು ಲಂಚ್ ಬ್ರೇಕ್ ಆಯ್ಬೇಕು ಕೂಡ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು ಒಂದು ಪ್ಲೇಯರ್ ಆಯ್ಬೇಕು ಲಂಚ್ ಬ್ರೇಕ್ ಆವೆ ಆ ಪ್ಲೇಯರ್ ನೇಮ್ ನಿಖಿಲ್ ಈಸ್ ಅನ್ ಆಲ್ರೌಂಡರ್ ಪ್ಲೇಯರ್ ರೈಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡೆಡ್ ಬ್ಯಾಟ್ಸ್ಮನ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದ ರೈಟ್ ಆರ್ಮ್ ಬೌಲರ್ ಈಸ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಸಜಿಪಾಪಾಡು ನಿಖಿಲ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಸಜಿಪಾಪಾಡು ವರ್ಕಾಡಿ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಒಂಜಿ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಂಪ್ಲೆ ಇಂಗ್ಲ ಪನ್ಪ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಉಂಡ ತೂಲೆ ದೇರಂಬಲ ಸ್ಟ್ರೈಕರ್ ಸೆಕ್ಲ ವ್ಯಾಲೆಟ್ ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ ಬದದು 5100 ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ 5100 ಸರಿ ಅದ ನಿಕ್ಲು ಪ್ಲೇಯರ್ ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟೆಡ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ 5 ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅದ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಶೆಟ್ಟಿ ಬ್ರದರ್ಸ್ ಕುಂಟುಪುಣಿ ನಿಕ್ಲ ವ್ಯಾಲೆಟ್ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ 1700 ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅದ ಸೊ ನಿಕ್ಲೆಗೆ ಒಂಜಿ ಪ್ಲೇಯರ್ ಬೋಡೈನ ಸರಿ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬನ್ಸ್ ಕೋಟೆಕುಂಜ ನಿಕ್ಲಿನ ವ್ಯಾಲೆಟ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ 3500 ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ ಸೊ ನಿಕ್ಲು ಪ್ಲೇಯರ್ ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಬಂದಿನ 8 ಸೊ ನನ್ನ ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ 3 ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಶೆಟ್ಟಿ ಬ್ರದರ್ಸ್ ಕೂಳೂರು ನಿಕ್ಲ ವ್ಯಾಲೆಟ್ ಅಮೌಂಟು 8700 ಉಂಡು ನಿಕ್ಲೆ 7 ಪ್ಲೇಯರ್ ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಬಂದರು ನನ್ನ 4 ಪ್ಲೇಯರ್ ಬೋರ್ಡು 7 ತೊಂದರೆ ನಾನು 4 ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ನಿಕ್ಲಿಗೆ 4 ಬೋರ್ಡು ಅವಾಗ 11 ಹಾಕೊಂಡು ಕ್ಯಾಪ್ಟನ್ ಬುಕ್ ಐಕಾನ್ 13 ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ರಾಯಲ್ ಬಂಟ್ಸ್ ಬಳ್ಳೂರು ಇರಡ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ 13400 ಉಂಡು ಪ್ಲೇಯರ್ ತಿನ್ ರಡ್ ನನ್ನ ಇರಿಗೆ ವರ್ಮ ಜನ ಬೋರ್ಡು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಮುಡಿಪು ದಕ್ಲು 8000 ಮುಡಿಪು ಪ್ರಜಿತ್ ಮುಡಿಪು ದಕ್ಲು ವ್ಯಾಲೆಟ್ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ 8900 ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ 7 ಪ್ಲೇಯರ್ಸ್ ತೊಂದಿರು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬಾಮ್ರಾನ 10100 ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಉಂಡು 10100 ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲೇಯರ್ ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟೆಡ್ 7 4 ಪ್ಲೇಯರ್ ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್
ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವರ್ಕಾಡಿ ನಿಕ್ಲ ವರ್ಕಾಡಿದ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ನಿಕ್ಲೆ ಪಾತ್ರ ಬಕ ನಿಕ್ಲ ಡೌಟ್ ಕೆಂದಿನಕ್ಕೆ ಮುಂದೆ ವರ್ಕಾಡಿ 7,600 ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಉಂಟು ನಿಕ್ಲೆಗೆ ಕೌಶಿಕ್ 2,600 ಆಡ್ಬಕ್ಕ ನಿಖಿಲ್ ಅಡಪ 100 ದಿನಕರ್ ಶೆಟ್ಟಿ 3,000 ಶ್ರವಣ್ ಶೆಟ್ಟಿ 300 ಆಕಾಶ್ 300 ಹರೀಶ್ 100 ರಂಜಿತ್ 900
ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್
ಸರಿ 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 ಓಕೆ ನಲಚೂರು ಆಕ್ಷನ್ ಬೇಗ ಬೇಗ ಮಲ್ಪುಗ ಓಕೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ಲೇಯರ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ನಿಖಿಲ್ I am looking for the first bid for Nikhil. Yes, 100 with Mudipu. 100 with Mudipu. Yes, anyone interested? As of now, he was with 100 with Mudipu. Look like no one is interested. Yes, Kote Kunja 200. Kote Kunja with 200. 300 with Mudipu. 300 with Mudipu. 300 with Mudipu. Are you in the race? Kote Kunja 300 with Mudipu. Yes, second time I am asking. He was with the 300 at the point with Mudipu. 300. Yes, the player is sold to Mudipu at the point of 300. Nikhil's 300. Mudipu. Next player Vinith Shetty. Anyone? I am looking for the first bid for Vinith Shetty. Dirembala, yes, 100, 200, 200 with Ballur, 200 with Ballur. Bamrana are in the race. As of now, he was with the 200 with Ballur, 200 with Ballur. Anyone? I am looking. Anyone is interested? 300, 300 with Bamrana, 400, 600, 600 with Dirembala, 600 with Dirembala, 600. Kuntupuni, yes. 1,100, yes, 1,100 with Kuntupuni for Vinith. 1,100. Anyone interested? Second time I am asking. This is the second time. 1,600 with Kuntupuni. 1,600. The player is sold to Kuntupuni at the point of 1,600. Yes, congratulations Kuntupuni, the first team to finish their auction. Big round of applause. Give a big round of applause for Kuntupuni. Yes, aklana race idijiru baki dakli bid manpali. The next player is Jeevan Alwa. Looking for the first bid for Jeevan Alwa. Jeevan Alwa first bid manaklu ullera. Anyone interested with Jeevan Alwa? Anyone? Yes, Derembala. Are 100? Yes, Derembala with 100. Derembala with 100. Anyone interested with Jeevan? Yes, look like no one is interested. The player is sold to Derembala for the points of 100. Next player is Sushant Shetty. I am looking for first bid for Sushant Shetty. Mudipu are in the race. Sushant Shetty. Anyone interested with Sushant Shetty? Yes, look like no one is interested. The player is unsold. Navin Shetty, the next player is Navin Shetty, the all-rounder. Left arm bowler, left hand batsman. Navin Shetty first bid $2. Anyone interested with Navin Shetty? Parangibete the Javani. Parangibete the Javani, $2. I am looking for the first bid. Anyone? Look like no one is interested. The player is unsold. ಖಾಲಿ ರೈ ಬಂದುಂಡು ಪುದ್ರ ಗೊತ್ತಿಜ್ಜಿ ರೈಗೆ ಖಾಲಿ ರೈ ಫೋಟೋ ಮಾತ್ರ ಇಪ್ಪುನ್ ಎಸ್ ಪ್ಲೇಯರ್ ಏರಿಯಾಗ್ಲ ಪುದರ್ ದಾಲ ಬಂದು ಗೊತ್ತಿಜ್ಜಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕದ ರೋಹಿತ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕದ ರೋಹಿತ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿ Yes, next player is Manoj Rai, all-rounder. One more all-rounder, Manoj Rai. Yes, 100 with Derembala, 100. Anyone interested? Derembala the 100 point. Ballur, Manoj Rai, all-rounder. 200 with Ballur, 200 with Ballur, 200. Derembala are in the race. 200 with Ballur as of now. 300. Yes, 300 with Derembala. 300 with Derembala. This is the second time I am asking. 300 with Derembala. 300. Ballur are in the race. The player is sold to Derembala for a point of 300. 300. Next player Abhilash. I am looking for the first bid for Abhilash. First bid. I am looking for the first bid for Abhilash. All-rounder batsman Kasaragod. He is from Kasaragod. Anyone interested with Abhilash? Anyone for Abhilash? Look like no one is interested. The player is unsold. The next player is Vaishak. All-rounder Vaishak. I am looking for the first bid for Vaishak. 100, 200 with Bamrana, 200 with Bamrana, 300 with Ballur, 400 with Bamrana, 400 with Bamrana, 400. This is second time. 500 with 600, 700, 800, 900 with 1000 with Ballur, 1100 with Bamrana, 1100, 1300 with Ballur, 1500 with Bamrana, 1500. 600, 2100 with Bamrana, 2200, 2300 with Bamrana, 2300, 2400 with Ballur, 2500, 2600, 2700, 2800, 2900, 3000, 3100, 3100 with Bamrana, 3200, 3400, 3500, 3600, 3700, 3800, 3900, 4000 with Kulur, 4000. They are in the race now. 4000 with Kulur, 4100, 4100, 4600, 4600 now. 4700, 4800 with Ballur, 4900 with Bamrana, 5000 with Kulur, 5000 with Kulur, 5100, 5200, 5200 with Bamrana, 5200, 5300, 5300, 5400, 5600, 500, 5500, 5600, 5700, 5700 with Bamrana, 5700, 5700, the second time 5600, 5700, 5800, 5900, 5900 with Bamrana, the second time 6000, 6100, 6200, 6200, 6,200 with Bambrana, 6,300, 6,400 with Ballu, second time, 6,500 with Bambrana, 6,600 with Kuluru, 6,700 with Ballu, 6,700, 6,800, 6,900, 6,100, 7,000 with Bambrana, 7,000, 7,100, 7,200, 7,300, 7,300, 7,400, 7,400 with Ballur, 7,500, 7,600, 7,800 with 7,900 with Ballur, 8,000, 8,100, 8,200, 8,200, 8,200 with the Ballur, 8,300 with the Kulur, 8,400 with Ballur, 8,500 with Bambrana, 8,500, 8,500 with Bambrana, 8,600 with Ballur, 8,600 with Ballur, 8,600. Are you in the race? Bambrana, 8,700 with Bambrana, 8,800 with Ballur, 8,800 with Ballur, 9,000, 9,000 with Bambrana, 9,100 with Ballur for Vaishak. Yes, Vaishak, talented all-rounder, Vaishak, that's why they are not giving. 9,100. Yes, 9,100. Now I saw the face of Vaishak. He is a talented batsman. He is talented all-rounder. 9,200, 9,300, 9,300, 9,500. He is the worth player actually. 9,900, 9,600, 9,600, 9,700, 9,700, 9,800 with Ballur, 9,000, 9,900. The highest bid ever. 10,000. 10,000 now, 10,000 with Ballu, 10,000 for give a big round of applause for Vaishak. As of now, he was with Balluru at the point of 10,000. 10,000. Bambrana are in the race. Bambrana are in the race. Fantastic batsman. Yeah, Masusala do the Mergopun, Barishok the batsman. Young age day, Bari achievement there. Whether it's overarm out, underarm out, red date la mere batting head on. 10,000 with Ballur. Happen. Mere happen. As of now with the 10,000, here balance. Yes, on the last player, I had a bit more. 10,100, 10,200, 10,200, 10,200 are in the race. Second time I am asking. Bambrana, are you in the race? 10,200 with Ballur as of now. 10,200. 200. Ballur 10,200 only. Mudipu are in the race. 10,200 with Ballur. Final time I am asking. Yes, the player is sold to Ballur at the point of 10,200. Give a big round of applause for Vaishak and as well as Ballur team. Yes, maybe ಒಂದು last the bid ಐಡಬೇಕು ಅವನಸ್ last bid Harsharaj Rai Bellur. Anyone? I am looking for the first bid for Harsharaj. Anyone? Mudipu are in the race. Around the player baaki illere. Yes, Harsharaj bid rollera. Anyone? Yes, no one. Look like no one is interested. The player is unsold. Now it's the time for lunch. Kaal gante lunch ಐಡಬೇಕು ಬರೋಡು ಮಾತಾಡಲ್ಲ. Yes, it's the lunch break. Kaal gante ಐಡಬೇಕು ಬರ್ಕಲಮ್ಮ. The doors unda. Yes, bale.
ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಂಡ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ತಾಕಿರಾ 309 ಇನ್ನಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಡಿಪೀಟ್ ಆಪೇರ ಇನ್ನಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಡಿಪೀಟ್ ಆಪೇರ ಇನ್ನಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಆಪಿಚ್ ಅನಂತ್ ಅನಂತ್ ಅಕ್ಲು ಸ್ಪೀಡ್ ಕೊಪ್ಪೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಪೂರ ಎಂಚಿನ ಕ್ಯಾಚ್ ಒಂದೆರಡು ಮೂರು ಕ್ಯಾಚ್ ಹಾಂ ಶ್ರೇಯಸ್ ಅಯ್ಯರ್ ರಾಹುಲ್ ಹೆಡ್ಡೆಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತದೆ 86 ಹಾಂ ಹಾಂ ಅಂದ ಮಿಚ್ಚಲ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಯ್ತು ಕವಾಸಾಗ ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ ఆయన అవుట్ ಮಾಡ್ಪೇರ್ನೆ ಬಂಗ ఆయన ಬ್ಯಾಟಿಂಗ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಹಾಂ ಕೇರಿ ಗೊಬ್ಬಿನಿ ಕೇರಿ ಅಲೆಕ್ಸ್ ಕೇರಿ 65 ಜನ ಅವಳ ಸ್ಪೀಡ್ ಮಾರಿ 49 ಬಾಲ್ 65 ಬೈದಿನ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಲ್ಲಿ ಮರ ಅರ್ಧ ಗಂಟೆ ಮುಗಿಪೋಯ್ತು ಡೌಟ್
ಒಂದೊಂದು ఆయనది ಬೇಗ ಮಾತಾ ಟೀಮ್ ದಾಗ ಕ್ಯಾಪ್ಟನ್ ಬುಕ್ ಐಕಾನ್ ನಕ್ಲು ಬರೋಡು ದಯಪಂಡ ನಮಕ್ ಸ್ಟಿಲ್ 40 to 50 ಪ್ಲೇಯರ್ಸ್ ಬಿಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಬರೋಡು ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ 40 ಪ್ಲೇಯರ್ಸ್ లేరు అవిటి నిక్లెక్ బోర్డ్ అయితున్న ప్లేయర్స్ కూడా సేర్ నిక్లెక్ వచ్చి 20 ప్లేయర్స్ దన బోర్డ్ ఆపుండు దయమల్తది వన సాయి నక్లు మాత ಬೇಗ ಬರೋಡು ಬಂದೆ ಅನ್ಕಿನೊಂದಿಲ್ಲ ಎಸ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕದ ಲಂಚ್ ಆಗ್ಬೇಕ ಟೀಮ್ ಕೂಳೂರು ಬೇಕಾ ಟೀಮ್ ಬಲ್ಲೂರು ಎಸ್ ಟೀಮ್ ಕೂಳೂರ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ವೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಫಾರ್ ಯು ಟೀಮ್ ಕೂಳೂರ್ದಾಗ್ಲು ಟೀಮ್ ಕೂಳೂರ್ದಕ್ಲು ದಯಮಲ್ತದ 2 ಜನ ಐತಿಲ್ಲ ಬಲೆ ಟೀಮ್ ಕೂಳೂರ್ದ ಕ್ಯಾಪ್ಟನ್ ಬಕ್ ಐಕಾನ್ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಟೈಮ್ ಇದ್ದು 3 o'clock ಕಾಣದ ಹಲೋ ಒಂಚ ಲೈಟ್ ದಾಗ ಲೈಟ್ ಕೊರ್ರ ತರ್ಪ ಎತ್ತವರ Welcome back after lunch break. So, after the lunch break, the first player is Shreyank, the batsman, pure batsman. I'm looking for the first bid. Anyone interested? Anyone interested with Shreyank? Yes, 100. Mudipu with 100 point.
ಅಖಿಲೇಶ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೇವೆ ಅನ್ಕಾಂಡೆ ಬಂದ ಶನಿವಾರ ಮಧ್ಯಾಹ್ನ ಉಂಟೊಳ್ಳೆ ಐತಾದಲ್ಲಿ ಫುಲ್ ಉಳ್ಳೆ ಒಂದು ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಪಂಡದ ಬಡ್ಲಿ ಅಖಿಲೇಶ್
ಶನಿವಾರ ಮಧ್ಯಾಹ್ನ ಫುಲ್
ಆಯ್ತಾನ
ಒಂಜಿ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಅನೌನ್ಸ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಖಿಲೇಶ್ ಪ್ಲೇಯರ್ ಸ್ಯಾಟರ್ಡೆ ಮಧ್ಯಾಹ್ನ ಮುಟ್ಟೊಲ್ಲೆ ಬೊಕ್ಕ ಸಂಡೇ ಫುಲ್ ಉಲ್ಲೆ ಸೊ ಐನ್ ಆಕ್ಷನ್ ಪಾಡ್ದುಂಡು ದೆಪ್ಪು ನಡದೆಪ್ಪಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತ್ರ ಟೀಮ್ಸ್ ತಗಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಖಿಲೇಶ್ ಅವೈಲೇಬಲ್ ಉಲ್ಲೆ ಸ್ಯಾಟರ್ಡೆ ಬಣ್ಣ ಮಧ್ಯಾಹ್ನ ಮುಟ್ಟ ಮಾತ್ರ ಬೊಕ್ಕ ಸಂಡೇ ಫುಲ್ ಡೇ ಉಲ್ಲೆಗೆ ಸೊ ಬಿಡ್ ಮಕ್ಳೆ ಬಿಡ್ ಮಲ್ಪೊಲ್ಲೆ ಅಖಿಲೇಶ್ಗೆ ಎಸ್ ಶ್ರೇಯಾಂಕ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಬಿಡ್ ಮುಡಿಪು ಎನಿವನ್ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ಶ್ರೇಯಾಂಕ್ ಲುಕ್ ಲೈಕ್ ನೋ ಒನ್ ಈಸ್ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟೆಡ್ ಬಲ್ಲೂರ್ದಾರ್ ಶ್ರೇಯಾಂಕ್ ಗುಲ್ಲರ HG. Yes, the player is sold to Mudipu for the point of 100. The next player is Sharath Raj, pure batsman. Pure batsman, Sharath Raj. Anyone is there? I'm looking for the first bid for Sharath Raj. Sharath Raj first bid Ullera. Kolur. Yes, 100 with Vorkady. 100. 100 with Vorkady. Anyone is there? 100 with Vorkady. Yes, looks like no one is interested. The player is sold to Vorkady at the point of 100. Sharath Raj. Next player Prasad. Pure batsman. Uppaladar. Yes, 100 with Vorkady. Vorkady 100 points. Mudipu, are you interested? Are you there? Anybody is there? Anybody is looking for Prasad? Yes, Vorkady with 100 point. Vorkady with 100. 100. Ballur HG. Yes. The player is sold to Vorkady at the point of 100 points. Next player is Vinay, one more right hand batsman, right hand bowler, all rounder. Anyone is there for Vinay? I am looking for the first bid for Vinay. Anyone interested with Vinay? I am looking for first bid for Vinay. Yes, looks like no one is interested. The player is unsold. The next player is Satvik Shetty, One more talented all-rounder. I am looking for the first bid for Sadhvik Shetty. Anyone is there? Anyone? Yes, Ballur. Ballur with 100 points. Anyone interested with Sadhvik Shetty? Sadhvik Shetty bid player interested. As of now, he was with Ballur. Yes, look like no one is interested. The player is sold to Ballur at the point of 100. The next player is the Shobit. One more all-rounder. Anyone is there? I am looking for the first bid for Shobit. Shobit first, yes, 100 with Derambala. Derambala with 100 points. Anyone is there? Yes, 200 with Ballur. 200 with Ballur. Derambala, are you there? Derambala, are you there? Yes, with Ballur at the point of 200. Derambala, are you there? Yes, 300, 400, 400 with Kulur. 400 with Kuluru. Yes, 400, 500 with Ballur. 500 with Ballur. Are you there, Kuluru? 500 with Ballur. 600, yes, they are in the race. 700, yes, Derambala they are back into the race. 700, 800 with Kulur. 800 with Kulur. Ballur, are you interested? 800 with Kulur. As of now, he was with 900, 1000 with Kulur. 1000 with Kulur. Derambala, are you there? Are you there, Derambala? I am asking final time. Are you there? 1100, 1200 with Kulur. 1200 with Kulur. 1200 with Kulur. Derambala, final time I am asking, are you there in the race? 1300, 1400, yes, 5500, 1600, yes, 1700, 1700 with Derambala Strikers, 1700, 1800, Kuluru 1800. 1800 with Kulud. Final time I am asking with their 2000, 2100, 2100 with Kuluru, 2100. Balluru, are in the race? Yes, they are already give up. 1200, 1300, 1300 with Derambala, 1400 with Kulu, 1400 with Kuluru, 1500 with Derambala, 1600. 2600, small correction, 2600, 2600 with Kuluru, 2700, 2800, 2800 with Kulur, 2800 with Kulur. Derambala, are you there? 2900 with Derambala, 3000, 3000 with Kulur, 3000 with Kulur. Derambala, second time I am asking, are you there? 3300, 3300 with Derambala, 3400 with Kulur, 3400 with Kulur. Derambala, 3500, 3500 with Derambala. Kulur are in the race. 3700, 3700 with Kuluru for Shobit, the talented all-rounder. 3800, 3900 with Kuluru, 3900 with Kuluru, 3900. Derambala, are you there? Yes, 4000. They are in the race. 4000 for Shobit with 4100 with Kuluru, 4100 with Kuluru, 4100. Derambala 4200, 4300, 4300 with Kulur, 4300. The final time I am asking for 4400, 4400. They are back again. 4400, 4500, 4500 with Kulur, 4600 with Derambala, 4700 with Kulur, 4700 with Kulur. 4700 with Kulur. 4300, yes. Anyone is interested with Derambala 4700 remaining निकले हाँ अगले 8000 बटोले. Yes, anyone is there? Yes, the player is sold to Kulur because other team don't have enough balance, so the player is sold to Kulur at the point of 4300. Shobit was sold to Kulur at the point of 4300. The next player is Pavan Shetty. One more all-rounder. I am looking for the first bid for Pawan Shetty. Anyone is there? Anyone interested with Pawan Shetty? I am looking for the first bid. Look like no one is interested. The player is unsold. The next player is Mahesh Shetty, one more all-rounder from the place of Kidur. Anyone is there for anyone? I'm looking for the first bid for Mahesh Shetty. Ballu, yes. Bamrana, 100. Bamrana with 100 points. Anyone is there? Vorkady, are you in the race? No. 100 with Bamrana. The player is sold to Bamrana at the point of 100. The next player is Savan Shetty. I'm looking for the first bid for Savan Shetty. Anyone is interested with Savan Shetty? Anyone? He is from Mangalore. He is from Mangalore. Anyone is interested? I'm looking for the first bid here. Yes, look like no one is interested. The player is unsold. The next player is Jaya Prakash Rai. One more talented all-rounder, right-handed batsman and a left-arm bowler. So I'm looking for the first bid for Jaya Prakash. I'm looking for the first bid for Jaya Prakash. Anyone is interested? Anyone? Yes, look like no one is interested. The player is unsold. The next player is Shivu Bandari. One more all-rounder from the face of Adka. Shivu Bandari. Anyone interested with Shivu Bandari? I'm looking for the bidding. I'm looking for the first bid for Shivu Bandari. Anyone is there? Yes, look like no one is interested. The player is unsold. Next player is Gagan. One more all-rounder from the place of Kumpala. Kumpala, the all-rounder player Gagan. I'm looking for the first bid. Yes, 100 with Kote Kuncha. 100 with the Kote Kuncha. Anyone is there? 200 with Bamrana. 200 with Bamrana. 200. 200 with Bamrana. 200. Kote Kuncha are in the race. Yes, 300. They are back. 300 with the Kote Kuncha. 300. 400 with the Derambala. 400 with the Derambala. 400. Bamrana are in the race. Bamrana are in the race. As of now, he was with the Derambala at the point of 400. 500. Yes, Vorkady is back. 500. 500. The SRFC Talapati players are back at the 500 with Vorkady. Anyone? 500. Look like no one is interested. The player is sold to Vorkady at the point of 500. The player is sold to Vorkady at the point of 500. Next player is the Nishan. One more talented all-rounder from the place of Muliyatlu. Anyone interested with Nishan? I am looking for the first bid here. I am looking for the first bid here. Kuluru, are you there? Yes, Balluru is back now. 200 with Kuluru, 200 with Kuluru, 300 with Ballur, 300 with Ballur, 400 with Kuluru, 400 with Kuluru, 400. Balluru, are you in the race? 500, yes, they are back. 500 with Ballur, 600 with Kuluru, 600 with Kuluru, 600, 600 for the second time. 600 with 700, 700 with Ballur, 700 with Ballur now. 800 with Kulur, 800 with Kulur, 800, yes, 900 with Ballur, 900, 1000, 1000 with Kulur, 1000 with Kulur, 1100, 1100 with Ballur, 1200 with Kulur, 1300 with Ballur, 1400 Kulur, 1500 with Ballur, 1600 with Kulur, 1700 with Ballur, 1800 with Kulur, 1800 with Kulur, 1900 here, 1900 Ballur, 2000, 2000 with Kulur, 2000 with Kulur, Ballur are in the race, 2000 with Kulur. Second time I am asking for Nishan, 2000 with Kulur, 2100 with Ballur, 2200 with Kulur. Yes, 2200 with Kulur. As of now, the player is with Kuluru at the point of 2,200. Yes, appunge 2,200, 2,300, 2,400, 400. Magli apuna 2,400 with Kuluru, 2,400 with Kuluru. ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ ನಿಖಿಲ್ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ 2,500, 2,500 with Ballo, 2,600 with Kuluru, 2,600 with Kuluru. 2,400. 2,000. Yes, 2,400 with Kuluru. Then Ballurge bidman parapuchi. 2,400 with Kuluru. Ballur dakle bidman parapuchi. 2,400. 2,400. Yes, the player is sold to Kuluru at the point of 2,400. Yes, so the next player is Shujan Shetty, left-handed batsman and left-arm bowler. I'm looking for the first bid here for Shujan Shetty. Looking for the first bid. Yes, 100 with Vorkady. 100 with Vorkady. Yes, Shujan. Purse is remaining in the purse remaining. 400. 400. Shujan Shetty first bid. Erana ullara. Vorkady daklu 100. Anyone interested? Yes, look like no one is interested. The player is sold to Vorkady at the point of 100. Vorkady. Vorkady ఏత నికల ప్లేయర్స్ 11 ఆడదా 11 ఆడదా నికల టోటల్ ప్లేయర్స్ ఏత 11 ఆడా యా బట్ షీస్ నానా బిడ్మ పరిచ నికల స్టాప్ ವರ ಮಾತ ಟೀಮ್ ದಕ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ವರ ನಿಕಲ 11 ಪ್ಲೇಯರ್ಸ್ ಆಡ ನಾನ ಬಿಡ್ಮನ್ ಬರ ಪೋರ್ಚ್. So congratulations to Vorkady, the second team to finish the auction. Big round of applause for Vorkady. Akla bidding aatri niki. Second team to complete the auction. So next Ajay Rai. Ajay Rai. I am looking for the first bid for Ajay Rai. Ajay Rai. Anyone is interested with? Yes, 100 with Ballur. 100 with Ballur. Anyone? Yes, look like no one is interested. The player is sold to Ballur at the point of 100. The next player is Ramit Shetty. He is from Mangalore. I am looking for the first bid for Ramit Shetty. Anyone? Yes, Derambala with 100. Derambala with 100 for Ramit Shetty. Looking for the 200 with Ballur. 200 with Ballur. 300 with Derambala. 400 with Ballur. 400. 500. 600. 700. 800. 900. 1000. 1100. 1200. 1300. 1400. 1500. 1600. 1700. 1800. 1900, 1900, 2000, 2000, 2000, 2100, 2200, 2300, 2400, 2400, 2400 with Ballur. Second time, Derambala, are you there? 2500, yes. Now Ballur is can't bid, so 2,500. The player is 2,500 with Derambala. Anyone interested? Yes, the player is sold to Derambala at the point of 2,500. The next player is Vivek Alva. I am looking for the first bid for Vivek Alva. Yes, 100 with Derambala. Yes, the player is 100 with Derambala. Anyone there? Anyone interested with Vivek Alva? Yes, look like no one is interested. The player is sold to Derambala for at the point of 100. ಬಾಯ್ಸ್ ದಯಮಲ್ತದ ಪಾತಿರು ಶಂಕ್ ನಿಕ್ಲ ವಾಯ್ಸ್ ಹಾಕಿರೋದುಂಡು ವರ್ಕಾಡಿ ಬೊಕ ಕುಂಡು ಪಣಿ ದಯಮಲ್ತದ ಚೂರು ಸೈಲೆಂಟ್ ಆದಿಪ್ಪಲಿ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ಲೇಯರ್ ಇಸ್ ಸುಮಂತ್ ರೈಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡೆಡ್ ಬ್ಯಾಟ್ಸ್ಮನ್ ಪ್ಯೂರ್ ಬ್ಯಾಟ್ಸ್ಮನ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಕುಂಬ್ಳಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಬಿಡ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಲುಕಿಂಗ್ ಫಾರ್ ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಬಿಡ್ ಫಾರ್ ಸುಮಂತ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಲುಕಿಂಗ್ ಫಾರ್ ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಬಿಡ್ ಫಾರ್ ಸುಮಂತ್ ಎಸ್ ಬಲ್ಲೂರು ವಿತ್ 100 ದೇರಂಬಲ್ ಆರ್ಯೋದೇರ್ ಮುಡಿಪು ಆರ್ಯೋದೇರ್ Bunts. Yes, the player is sold to Ballur at the point of 100. The next player is Vikyat Alva. I am looking for the first bid for Vikyat Alva. Anyone interested with Vikyat? Kuluru, are you there? Yes, look like no one is interested. The player is unsold. The next player is Prajit Shetty. Icon of the so it's and next player is Varun, all-rounder from Kumble. I am looking for the first bid for Varun Gulara, first bid for Varun. I am looking for the first bid for Varun gu bid manpana interest ullara. Yes, Varun. I am looking for the first bid for Varun. I am looking for first bid Varun. Yes, look like no one is interested. The player is unsold. The next player is Suresh Shetty. I am looking for the first bid for Suresh Shetty. Anyone interested? Anyone interested with Suresh Shetty? Yes, look like no one is interested. Yes, player is unsold. The next player is Tilak Raj Shetty. Tilak Raj from Modabedre. Anyone is interested? Yes, and 500 with Bamrana, 600 with Derembala, 700, 800, 900, 1000, 1100, 1200, 1700, 1700 with Bamrana, 1600, 1800, 1800, 2300, 2300, 2300 with Bamrana, 2300. As the second time I am asking, anyone is there? 2000. As of now, he was with Bamrana at the point of 2300. The player is sold to Bamrana at the point of 2300. The next player is Shravan Shetty. He is from Osabettu Manjeshwara. I am looking for the first bid for Shravan Shetty. Anyone interested? Anyone? I am looking for the first bid for Shravan. Yes, look like no one is interested. The player is unsold. Next player is Nishan Rai. One more all-rounder, Nishan Rai. I am looking for the first bid for Nishan. Anyone is interested for Nishan? I am looking for the first bid here. Yes, look like no one is interested. The player is unsold. The next player is Pranam Shetty. I am looking for the first bid for Pranam Shetty. Yes, 100 with Kote Kunja, 100. Anyone in the race? Anyone interested in the race? 100 with Kote Kunja. Yes, no one is interested. The player is sold to Kote Kunja at the point of 100. Pranam Shetty is sold to Kote Kunja at the point of 100. 100 gun Iregi. Yes, the next player is Kaushik. He is from Talapadi. Kaushik. I'm looking for the first bid for Kaushik. Anyone is interested for Kaushik? Kaushik. Anyone is interested with Kaushik? I'm looking for the first bid. Yes, look like no one is interested. The player is unsold. And next player is Gopala Krishna Shetty. He is from Ballur. Gopal Krishna Shetty. Ballur the ruler first bid. AJ. Anyone is interested for Gopal Krishna Shetty? Yes, look like no one is interested. The player is unsold. The next player is Kumar Shetty. One more all-rounder from Mudabidri. Anyone? I am looking for the first bid for Kumar Shetty. Yes, 100 with Kotekunja, 200 with Ballur, 200 with Ballur, 200, 300 with Kotekunja, 300, 300 with Kotekunja, 300, 300 with Kotekunja. Second time I am asking Ballur, are you in the race? 300 with Kotekunja. As of now, he was with 300 with Kotekunja. Yes, the player is sold to Kotekunja at the point of 300. Yes, the next player is Pramit Rai. Pramit Rai from Kasargod. I am looking for the first bid for Pramit Rai. Anyone interested? Yes, 100 with Kulur. 100 with Kulur. Are you in the race there, Ambala? No. 100 with Kulur. Anyone is interested? Anyone is looking for the first bid? Anyone looking for the bid for Pramit? Anyone is interested for Pramit? As of now, he was with Kulur at the point of 100 and the player is sold to Kulur. Next player Santosh Kumar. One more all-rounder from Kodibail Uppala. I am looking for the first bid for Santosh Kumar. I am looking for the first bid. Anyone is interested with Santosh Kumar? Yes, look like no one is interested. The player is unsold. The next player is Rajesh Kotekunja, batsman. Batsman plus bowler, right-handed batsman and right-hand bowler. I am looking for the first bid here. I am looking for the first bid. Yes, look like no one is interested. The player is, yes, hold. Hold for a minute. Kotekunja as with a discussion. Rajesh Kotekunja. There is a small discussion going between icon and captain for Rajesh Kotekunja. Yes, Kotekunja 100. Anyone is interested? Yes, the player is sold to Kotekunja at the point of 100. The Rajesh is sold to Kotekunja at the point of 100. The player is sold. The next player is Dikshit Rai. Congratulations Kotekunja. They also completed their auction. Yes, the next player is Dikshit, 100 with Ballur. Ballur with 100 points. Anyone is interested? Anyone? The player is sold to Ballur at the point of 100. Next player is Chandrasekhar Shetty. Anyone is interested with Chandrasekhar Shetty? Yes, no one is interested. The player is unsold. Yes, Akshay K, the talented batsman, 100 with 500 with Bamrana. Top class overarm player. Overarm nena team nane captain ai. Barish the overarm player ai. 500 with Bamrana, 600 with Ballur, 700 with Bamrana, 800 with Ballur, 900 with Bamrana, 900. 3,000. Yes. 3,000 with Bamrana, 3,000. 3,000. Already Ballur give up because they don't have sufficient fund. So the player is sold to Bamran at the point of 3,000. They can give huge load of applause because he's one of the top class Oram player. I don't know how he play under cricket, but in the Oram is a wonderful player. The next player is Gaurish Shetty. Gaurish Shetty, anyone? I am looking for the first bid for Gaurish Shetty. Anyone is there for Gaurish? Look like no one is interested. The player is unsold. The next player is Shamit Rai. I am looking for the first bid. Bamrana, $500. Bamrana. Anyone is interested? Look like no one is interested. The player is unsold. The next player is Kishan Shetty, the all-rounder. Anyone is there? I am looking for the first bid for Kishan Shetty. Anyone is interested? I am looking for the first bid for Kishan Shetty. As look like no one is interested. The player is unsold. The next player is the Prajwal from Kasargod. Prajwal. I am looking for first bid for Prajwal. Mudipu, are you there? Mudipu daru churu patirna kammi multi inchudonde eddetinde. Mudipu, are in the race? Yes, 100 with Vorkady. Kulur, sorry, 100 with Kulur. 100 with Kulur. Yes, the player is sold to Kulur at the point of 100. Prajwal is sold to Kulur at the point of 100. Yes, player Kuluru the 11 player complete adina. Congratulations Kuluru. Nana race dipun kali muji team madra. Nal team madra. Bamra negati player avadu. Onji player avadu. Derambala reddu player avadu. Mudipu onji player avadu. Niklega 9 player avadu. Okay, seri. Nal avadu seri. The next player is Manish from Kunjattur. I am looking for the first bid. I am looking for the first bid for Manish. Look like no one is interested. Player is unsold. The next player is Prashant Shetty from Karela. Anyone is interested for Prashant Shetty? I am looking for the first bid here. As no one is interested, the player is unsold. Next player is Rakesh Shetty from Kurnad. Anyone was interested? Mudipu, Kurnad the player. Yes, 100. 100 with the Mudipu. Anyone is interested? Yes. Bamran are in the race? No. The player is sold to Mudipu at the point of 100. The next player is Chandra Raj from Kidur. No, sir, yes. 4,000. The player is sold to Bamrana at the point of 4,000 for Chandra Raj. 4,000. Bamrana complete the Bamrana completed the. Congratulations to Bamrana. They also completed their auctions. Next player is Rohan Shetty. Rohan Shetty from Kuttar. Anyone? Anyone? Yes, look like no one is interested. The player is unsold. The next player is Prajwal from Ayadi. Prajwal Shetty from Ayadi. 100. Edda player, Bidmalpalli. 600. 600, 700, 700, 900, 900, 1000, 1200, 1300, 1500, 1600, 1800, 1900. 1900. 1900 with Ballur. Mudipu are in the race. The player is sold to Ballur at the point of 1900. He is also one of the fantastic all-rounder. Oram out, Andram out, Bari Dagobir, Gundalike the player. So the Prajwal Shetty is sold to Ballur at the point of 1900. Reddu Gundalike the player la Ballur de Ulleri. Reddu Gundalike the player Ballur de Ulleri. Prajwal and Vaishak. Redla talented batsmen. Okay, the next player is Varshit Shetty from Bhagavati. Anyone interested with Varshit Shetty? And any clear player and then a move order clear. Okay. Anyone? I am looking for the first bid for Varshit. Yes, look like no one is interested. The player is unsold. Next, Dhananjaya. Dhananjaya from Kasargod. Yes, 100. 100 with Ballur. Derambal, are you there? Derambal, are you there for Dhananjaya? Derambal, are you interested? Yes, the player is sold to Ballur at the point of 100. ಬಿಟ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಈಗ ಆರೆಗೆ 100 ಒಂಜೆ ಪ್ಲೇಯರ್ ನಾನು ಒಂಜೋಡು ಐರು ಐಕೋನಾ ಕ್ಯಾಪ್ಟನಾ ಪ್ಲೇಯರ್ ಸೊ ದ ಪ್ಲೇಯರ್ ಈಸ್ ಸೋಲ್ಡ್ ಟು ಬಲ್ಲೂರ್. Next player is Pritham Bandari. Anyone is interested with Pritham Bandari? Mudipu, Dirambala. Player is unsold. The next player is Sudeep from Kumble. Left hand batsman, left hand bowler. Anyone interested with? Yes, 100 with Ballur. 500, 300, 800, 800. Only 300 matra. 300 with Ballur. The player is 600 muta bowler. Eludunda. Okay, yes, the player is sold to Derambal at the point of 300. Next player is Rupak. He is from Kumble. 500. 500 with Ballur. 1000. 1000 with Derambala. If the player is sold to Derambala at the point of 1000. Next player is Dhanush from Kunjattur. Anyone is interested with Dhanush? There Ballur, Mudipu. Yes. Congratulations to Derambala also. They also completed their auction. Now only two teams are remaining. That is Balluru and Mudipu. One player is remaining for Balluru and one Mudipu also one player is remaining. So anyone is interested with Dhanush? Unsold. The player is unsold. Onji nimisha. Mokulji. Red team donji auction unda. Onji complete avade. Advoke etla paadirke namma. Yes, it auction red team dakla onji tuli. Red team. Ballur and Mudip. Ballur baka Mudip the captain kelle. ಆಕ್ಷನ್ ಇತ್ತಿನ ಪ್ಲೇಯರ್ಸ್ ಪೂರ ಆಂಡ್ ನನ್ನ ಅನ್ಸೋಲ್ಡ್ ಇಪ್ಪಿನ ಪ್ಲೇಯರ್ಸ್ ನಿಕ್ಲೆ ಏರ್ ಪ್ಲೇಯರ್ ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಪಂದ್ಪಲ್ಲೆ ಐಕೆ ನಿಕ್ಲೆ ಬಿಡ್ ಮಲ್ಪೊಲಿ ದಾಯ ಪಂಡ ನಾವು ಮಾತ ಪ್ಲೇಯರ್ ತೊಂಬಂಡು ನಿಕ್ಲೆ ಟೈರ್ಡ್ ಆಪುಂದು ದಾಯಪಡ ಬಲ್ಲೂರು ಬಕ್ಕ ಮುಡಿಪದ ಕ್ಯಾಪ್ಟನ್ ದಯಮಲ್ತ ಎದುರು ಬಲ್ಲೆ ರೆಡ್ ಟೀಮ್ ತಕ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಒಂದೊಂದು ಪ್ಲೇಯರ್ಸ್ ನಕ್ಲೆ ಬೋರ್ಡು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಅನ್ಸೋಲ್ಡ್ ಪ್ಲೇಯರ್ಸ್ ನಕ್ಲೆ ಏರುಲ್ಲ ತೂಲಿ
ಹಲೋ 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 ಆಕ್ಷನ್ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ ಬಾರಿ ಮುಗಿತಲ್ದ ಅಂತ ಬೈದ್ರು ಅಂಚನೆ ರಾಕೇಶ್ ಶೆಟ್ಟಿ ಮಾಸ್ಟರ್ ದಯಮಲ್ತ ದ್ವಾರ ಎದುರು ಬರೋಡು ಆರೆಗ್ ರೋಹಿತ್ ಮತ್ತದು ಸ್ಮರಣಿಕೆನ ಕೊರೋಡು ಶೆಟ್ಟಿ ಬ್ರದರ್ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಹುಡ್ದ ಸ್ಥಾಪಕರ ಅಂಜಿನ ರಾಕೇಶ್ ಶೆಟ್ಟಿ ಮಾಸ್ಟರ್ ದಯಮಲ್ತದು ರಾಕೇಶ್ ಶೆಟ್ಟಿ ಬರೋಡು ಒಂಚೂರು ತುಂಬು ಆರೆ ಕೊಂಚ ನೆನಪುದ ಕಾಣಿಕೆ ಕೊರೋಡು ಬಂದು ಏನೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಎಸ್ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಅಂಚನೆ ಪೃಥ್ವಿರಾಜ್ ಶೆಟ್ಟಿ ದಯಮಲ್ತದ ಒಂಚೂರು ತುಂಬರೋಡು ಯುನೈಟೆಡ್ ಬನ್ಸ್ ಕಾಸರಗೋಡ್ದ ಸ್ಥಾಪಕರ ನಂಚಿನ ಪೃಥ್ವಿರಾಜ್ ಶೆಟ್ಟಿ ಅಂಚನೆ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಜಾನಪದ ಪರಿಷತ್ದ ಕೇರಳ ಘಟಕದ ಕಾರ್ಯದರ್ಶಿ ನಂಚಿನ ಪೃಥ್ವಿರಾಜ್ ಶೆಟ್ಟಿ ದಯಮಲ್ತದ ಒಂಚೂರು ಎದುರು ಬರೋಡು ಪೂರ ಟೀಮ್ ಅಂಚನೆ ಪೂರ ಟೀಮ್ದ ಒಂಜೊಂದು ಜನ ದಯಮಲ್ತದ ವೇದಿಕೆ ನಂಚಿ ಬರೋಡು ಪೂರೇಗಳು ಒಂಜಿ ನೆನಪುದ ಕಾಣಿಕೆ ಸ್ಮರಣಿಕೆ ಉಂಡು. ಯುನೈಟೆಡ್ ಬಂಟ್ಸ್ ವರ್ಕಾಡಿ ಈ ಒಂಜಿ ತಂಡದ ಏನೆಲ್ಲ ಒಂದು ಜನ ಬರೋಡು ಯುನೈಟೆಡ್ ಬಂಟ್ಸ್ ವರ್ಕಾಡಿದ. ಶೆಟ್ಟಿ ಬ್ರದರ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಕೂಲುದ ದಯಮಲ್ತದ ಒಂಚೂರು ತುಂಬಲಿ ಇರೇಗಿ ತಿಕ್ಕಿ ನೀವು ನೆನಪುದ ಕಾಣಿಕೆ ರೋಹಿತ್ ಕೊರ್ನಿ ಇರೇಗಿ ಅಂಚೆ ಯುನೈಟೆಡ್ ಬಂಟ್ಸ್ ವರ್ಕಾಡಿ ಅಕುಲು ದಯಮಲ್ತ ಒಂಚೂರು ಎದುರು ಬರೋಡು ಯುನೈಟೆಡ್ ಬಂಟ್ಸ್ ವರ್ಕಾಡಿದ ಅಕುಲು ಯುನೈಟೆಡ್ ಬಂಟ್ಸ್ ವರ್ಕಾಡಿ. ಬನ್ಸ್ ಕೋಟೆ ಕುಂಜ ತಗೊಳ್ಳು ದಯಮಲ್ತದ ಒಂಚೂರು ಎದುರು ಬರೋಡು ಬನ್ಸ್ ಕೋಟೆ ಕುಂಜ ಅರೆಗಳ ರೋಹಿತ್ ಒಂಜಿ ಸ್ಮರಣಿಕೆ ಕೊರೋಡು. ರಾಯಲ್ ಬಂಟ್ಸ್ ಬಲ್ಲೂರು ನೇದೇರಲ್ಲ ಒಂಜಿ ಜನ ದಯಮಲ್ತದ ಒಂಚೂರು ತುಂಬಾರೋಡು ರಾಯಲ್ ಬಂಟ್ಸ್ ಬಲ್ಲೂರು ಅರೆಗಳ ರೋಹಿತ್ ಒಂಜಿ ನೆನಪುದ ಕಾಣಿಕೆಯನ್ನು ಕೊರೋಡು. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು. ಅಂಚೆ ಯೂತ್ ಬಂಟ್ಸ್ ಮುಡಿಪುದ ಏರಲ್ಲ ಸದಸ್ಯರು ದಯಮಲ್ತದ ಒಂಚೂರು ತುಂಬಾರೋಡು ಯೂತ್ ಬಂಟ್ಸ್ ಮುಡಿಪುದ. ಅಂಚೆ ಬನ್ಸ್ ಬಂಬ್ರಾಣದ ಸದಸ್ಯರು ಏರಲ್ಲ ಒಂಚೂರು ತುಂಬಾರೋಡು ಅರೆಗ್ಲ ರೋಹಿತ್ ಸ್ಮರಣಿಕೆ ಕೊರೋಡು ಬಂದ್ ಕೇಳೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಅಂಜನೆ ಶೆಟ್ಟಿ ಬ್ರದರ್ಸ್ ಕುಂಟುಪುನಿ ದಯಮಲ್ತದು ಈ ಒಂಜಿ ತಂಡದ ಸದಸ್ಯರು ದಯಮಲ್ತ ಒಂಚೂರು ತುಂಬಾರೋಡು ಶೆಟ್ಟಿ ಬ್ರದರ್ಸ್ ಕುಂಟುಪುನಿದ ಸದಸ್ಯರು ಏನಾದ್ರು ತುಂಬಾರೋಡು. ಅಂಜನೆ ಬನ್ಸ್ ವಾರಿಯರ್ಸ್ ದೇರಂಬಲ ಈ ಒಂಜಿ ತಂಡದ ಸದಸ್ಯರು ದಯಮಲ್ತ ಒಂಚೂರು ತುಂಬಾರೋಡು ಬನ್ಸ್ ವಾರಿಯರ್ಸ್ ದೇರಂಬಲ. ಅಂಜನೆ ಈ ರೀತಿ ಒಂಜಿ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಕ್ಕೆ ಬತ್ತ ಸೇರ ಮಾತ ತಂಡದ ಸದಸ್ಯರಿಗೆ ಅಂಜನೆ ಒಂಜಿ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮನ ಆಯೋಜನೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರಲ್ಲ ಮಾತಿರಿಗಳ ಸೊಲ್ಮೇಲೆ ಸಂದೇಶ ಮಾಡ್ತದಲ್ಲ. ಅಂಜನೆ ನಮಗೆ ಆಕ್ಷನ್ಗೆ ಸಹಕಾರ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂಚಿನ ಕಿರಣ್ ಬಂಟ್ವಾಲ್ ದಯಮಲ್ತ ಆರ್ಲ ವೇದಿಕೆ ತುಂಬಾರೋಡು. ಅಂಜನೆ ನವೀನ್ ಬಂಟ್ವಾಲ್ ಅಂಜನೆ ಕಿರಣ್ ಮ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಳೂರ್ ದಯಮಲ್ತ ಒಂಚೂರು ತುಂಬಾರೋಡು ಕಿರಣ್ ಬಂಟ್ವಾಲ್ ಅಂಜನೆ ನವೀನ್ ಬಂಟ್ವಾಲ್ ಅಂಜನೆ ಕಿರಣ್ ಮ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಳೂರ್ ದಯಮಲ್ತ ಒಂಚೂರು ತುಂಬಾರೋಡು. ಅಂಜನೆ ಪೃಥ್ವಿರಾಜ್ ಶೆಟ್ರಲ್ಲ ದಯಮಲ್ತ ಅವರ ವೇದಿಕೆ ಅಂಚಿ ಬರೋಡು ಪೃಥ್ವಿರಾಜ್ ಶೆಟ್ರ. ಯುನೈಟೆಡ್ ಬಂಟ್ಸ್ ಕಾಸರಗೋಡ್ದ ಸ್ಥಾಪಕರು ಅಂಜನೆ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಜನಪದ ಪರಿಷತ್ ಕೇರಳ ಘಟಕದ ಕಾರ್ಯದರ್ಶಿ ಅಂಚಿನ ಪೃಥ್ವಿರಾಜ್ ಶೆಟ್ರ ಅರೆಗಳ ಈ ಸ್ಮರಣಿಕೆಯನ್ನು ಕೊರಡು ಬಂದು ಕೇಳೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಎಸ್ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು. ಅಂಜನೆ ಈ ರೀತಿ ಈ ಒಂಜಿ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ ಬಾರಿ ಪುರ್ಲುಡೆ ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ಬತ್ತ ಸೇರಿ ಮಾತ ತಂಡದ ಸದಸ್ಯರಿಗಳ ಸೊಲ್ಮೇಲು ಸಂದೇಶ ಮಲ್ತೊಂದು ಈ ರೀತಿ ಒಂಜಿ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಕ್ಕೆ ಮುಗಿತಲ್ದರ ಚುಕ್ಕಿಂದಿ ಒಂದಿಲ್ಲ. ಅಂಜನೆ ಈತ ಮುಲ್ತ ಆಕ್ಷನ್ ಪೂರ ಬಾರಿ ಪುರ್ಲುಡೆ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಮಾದರಿಗಳ ತಲುಪದಿನಂಚಿನ ಧ್ವನಿ ಮೀಡಿಯಾದ ರಾಜೇಶ್ ಕೋಟೆ ಕುಂಜ ದಯಮಲ್ತ ಒಂಚೂರು ತುಂಬಾರೋಡು ರಾಜೇಶ್ ಕೋಟೆ ಕುಂಜ ಧ್ವನಿ ಮೀಡಿಯಾದ. ಅಂಜನೆ ಈ ಒಂಜಿ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ ಇದು ಪುರ್ಲುಡಿ ಯಶಸ್ವಿ ಆಡ್ದಾರ ಮಾತೇರ ಸಹಕಾರ ಕೊಡ್ತೀರ ಸಹಕಾರ ಕೊಡ ಮಾತೇರಿಗಳ ಸೊಲ್ಮೇಲೆ ಸಂದೇಶ ಮಲ್ತೊಂದು ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ ಮುಗಿತಲ್ದ ಚುಕ್ಕಿಂದಿ ಒಂದಿಲ್ಲ. ಟೇಕ್ ಕೇರ್ ಬಾಯ್.
ಅಂಚನೆ ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದ ನಿರೂಪಣೆ ಮಲ್ತಿನ ಸುಮಂತ್ಗಳ ರೋಹಿತ್ ಒಂಜಿ ನೆನಪಿನ ಕಾಣಿಕೆ ಕೊಡ್ದಾರಿಗೆ ಗೌರವ ಕೊರಡು ಬಂದು ಕೇರುವುದಿಲ್ಲ. ಸುಮಂತ್ಗೆ ರೋಹಿತ್ ಪೃಥ್ವಿರಾಜ್ ಶೆಟ್ಟಿ ಬೇರೆ ನೆನಪಿನ ಕಾಣಿಕೆ ಕೊರಡು ಬಂದು ಕೇರುವುದಿಲ್ಲ. ಜೋರಾದ ಕೈ ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆ.